Hell yeah.
Whoo! What up? 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 Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Evening, everybody.
We live, fellas. We live.
Yes, sir. Packed.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Late Night Leverage. I'm your co-host Zay. Got my boy Quadree and Drez in the building.
For sure.
And we are the Late Night Leverage crew, man. We back with another episode, bruh. Back with another episode.
Sir.
As y'all know, today marks episode number 40. So we almost had 50. We got 10 more to go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Yeah. When I was doing the title, I was like, damn, I think I messed up. It say 04, but it's supposed to be 40, so I'm gonna have to change that. But yeah, we at 40, bro. We closing in on 50 episodes, man.
Let's go.
I know, right? So lit. Welcome everybody. Shout out to my boy Cardave, Empower Assets. Looking forward to the information, doing great things in the community, man. I like this brother, bro. He's one of the few positive people in the space. He always giving props to people, bigging people up. You know, he don't mind sharing people's stuff, man. He one of the few folks in the industry that is about, you know, community and spreading information, man. So that's my boy, man. Appreciate you for tapping in. That was me. We got Candlestick Stalker. That's one of the. I think they either in the pack or in the boot camp. One of them. So one of my boot camp folk. We got Chap in the building. What up, though? We got my boy Strat King is in the building. We got my guy Mick in the building. The Daily Profiler. Hey, listen. I can't. I'm gonna just say this, y'all. I can't wait to complete this boot camp. Like. First things first is I'm gonna tell you like this. And Mickey, since you on the show, just know I'm about to send like hella people y'all way, bro. Like that January boot camp, we about to have hella referrals, bro. About to make this goddamn. We about to say, man, because there's a few people I know in the futures game, and yeah, I'm like, yo, listen, bro. I know y'all been trying to get me in the futures, but if you really in the futures, you need to take this shit.
You being that
different.
Yeah, man.
This shit is different. So shout out to Mickey. Also, Mick, while you on too, man, I told Dre and Quadree this too. I said, man, when I finish the boot camp, we would love to get you on, man. Have you talk about your journey, talk about, you know, the boot camp and all that stuff. So let us know, you know, if you and Austin want to come up here. You know, we'd love to have you guys on. Strat King, we need a winner for attending them all. Oh, speaking of Austin, what's good, Austin? Said, let's go, bro. Hey, Austin, this just for you. Suck back into the range. You gotta suck back into the range. Pause. I just feel terrible saying that. Mr. Small Bags. Yeah, that's Coach. Yeah, man. You're a good brother. We got Jay in the building. Okay, Father Legend. Okay, that's one referral right there. I need parts. Look, January boot camp, Father Legends. You need to be in there. I know my boy Cam say he gonna do it, so that's another one. Mick said thank you. No, thank you, bro. Dude, you know I'm down. Let's do it. Okay, I knocked the dust off. How I do come. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I would love. Yeah. Let's do that. Austin laughing. We got Strat King laughing. No Sheen. I think that might be.
It's Tuesday.
My Tuesday. What up, Team Tuesday? Going up. on a
Hey.
Tuesday.
Let's get it, baby. Yes, sir.
What up?
Shout out to the pack, man. Let's go, pack.
Yeah, shout out to all the pack members showing love, man. Definitely a very, very dope community, man. And you know, Dre and Quadree, everything y'all told me was absolutely the truth. You know, we are very much aligned when it comes to just mindset and all the stuff. You know, like you said, Dre, the morning messages, Mickey be playing, boy. I be doing so I started doing push-ups in the morning now. So I be doing my push-ups. I'll be having that during the background, like,
yeah, let's go. Yeah, man. Get you hyped quick. Hell, you get you straight, bro.
But like you said, I'll be trying to wake up, man. But like I told you earlier, I don't know. It just be something about the afternoon and in the evening. That's when it finally clicked. The morning, I'll be like, God damn, bro, this should be a struggle.
Yeah.
Like, what? Okay, so with that being said, man, let's get this show rolling. So tonight's agenda, fellas. Couple things that we got some positives that happened today. Private payroll data from the private from ADP came out. And actually, let me pull up my screen really quick. So while we're talking about that, and let me just zoom in a little bit here. What's up, Maurice in the building? So it was better than expected, right? Last month was actually negative. Estimate was forecast was 32, came in at 42K. I mean, not great, but hey, better than it's better than negative.
It's green. It's green,
especially with all these layoffs. We was just talking about all them layoffs yesterday. So that came out a little bit better. Then overnight, I guess some news dropped that China rolled back some tariffs or something like that. What do you know what it was, Quadree?
Yeah, they rolled back on tariffs on the goods.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, that was kind of positive. Shark Case said, "How we add 42 jobs when Amazon deleted 30K?" Good question. I have no idea, bro. ISM services was better than expected this morning. PMI came in at 52. The Supreme Court hearing for Donald Trump's tariffs began today. So they starting that process. The other two things I wanted us to kind of just talk about while we kind of look at the market and break it down is that overnight bounce that Dre called to the freaking T. And then, man, we got to talk about the VIX, bro. It's making me feel very uneasy. But what's funny is I looked at the VIX and I was like, hold up, let me go look at the VVIX. And it's just chilling. I would have thought that with volatility kind of doing what it's doing, we might see the VVIX, maybe going up a little bit. But the funny thing is like what Mick be saying. I feel like it's clustering. That shit is ready for a spike. I don't know. The VIX just make me feel uneasy right now. Like I know we good, but I need to see that thing under 16, and I don't like that it closed at 18 today. I'm like, man, So okay, so with that being said, man, let's talk about this overnight bounce, Dre. Let's talk about this overnight bounce, man. Let me pull up or actually, you know what? We'll go to your screen. And let's talk a little bit about this bounce, bro. The market was down early. We watched it literally drop, and then you was like, yo, I like where it's at. I need to buy. And then it started going up, and then next thing you know, by the time I woke up, we was all the way back. I was like, what drop happened? People was going crazy on Twitter. Next thing you know, the morning everything was nice and calm.
So I learned how to look at the market from a higher time frame down. So something I learned in the boot camp is we get three type of pullbacks, right? We get monthly slowdown, quarterly pullback, and sell everything, go home and go to sleep. pullback. You know,
Right. Yearly change of character means get ready for the bear.
yeah,
Rawr.
right. So we got a new month coming up, November, coming hot, right? So the first thing is I look for is previous monthly mid, right? That's that's how I go. I go in there. Higher time frames, right? I go to my monthly mid and where we at. Um, the fact that we came in it last night, fast and furious. I said, okay, I'm expecting some type of bounce here, some type of
Mhm.
bounce because I know that
Like another
as
story.
this is a defender level, probably previous monthly mid. So I saw also another variable that we watch track is the 5 weekly EMA, right? That's another confluence that I have, and it moved up. Last night was around here. He moved up because he go with price, right? And usually we turn to retest Wednesday, like we call it here in the show, right?
Mhm.
The fact that we came last night here, um, and we didn't get that, we started moving up. So if I go in the 15 minutes, I see that we formed the swing, and this was straight one shot. No type of you know not contrasty structure that telling you, okay, we might just get here and drop. We had a good higher day yesterday,
Mhm.
but once New York took it this morning, yeah, I'm like, yo, you know what? It's party time. We going.
Mhm.
Yeah, we came previous 12 hour mid.
Man, we get cooking already, boy.
Yeah, we dropping.
Yeah, I was gonna show it.
We are.
I just showed it again.
Yo, you caught another
You sure
short?
what?
Yo, we are cooking, boy.
Yeah, we
Sheesh.
moving. So the fact that we had this level so clean, this
Mhm.
Tuesday range,
Mhm.
we came into the 50. We hold the 5 day EMA, 5 weekly EMA. We held the previous 12 hour mid at the 6 o'clock opening. It
Mhm.
was prompt to go up there. Okay.
But now we
My,
seeing rejection though.
what's up?
Oh, it's
My
all
daughter
good.
here.
She about to
Yeah.
get ready. She ain't ready to go to bed.
Yeah. You want to say hi to the people? Like, say hi.
Yeah,
All
look at
right. You
that
shy
beautiful
now?
little baby. Oh, she acting shy.
Yeah. Give 1 second. Give 1 second. I'm about to
No, you
tell you good
good. Go
night.
ahead. You gotta do your dad thing, man. Quadree, talk to us, bro. You shorting the hell out the market, huh?
Yeah. You can go on my screen if you want.
Uh, hold up. Let me go. I gotta, cause I had to blow up Dre joint while he was talking. Uh, there you go. You got the sauce, brother.
Yep. So yeah, I got my MFA, MAE, MFE. Y'all already know that if y'all in the pack. Um, I like my sweeps. So we swept 6 o'clock high here. We created a change of state right here. Boop. Took it all the way down. Um, then took it all the way down to the the ranges. We hit the 100%,
Mhm.
80%. So something simple. And then I like my breaker block, so I went short again once I seen that again. Quick trade. Usually not quick in Asia, but it was quick today. So
Mhm.
I'm now
Right.
looking to see if we're going to retrace back up. Attention on. That's why I'm looking for now.
Yeah. Okay.
Facts. Love it. Love it.
I'm
Love
back.
it.
I'm back.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Quadree just broke down his trade for us, and
Yeah.
go back to your screen. You got it, Dre.
So yeah. So Then we got the data supporting the move. We got ISM came, ISM, right? It
Mm-hmm.
came good. It came well.
It
I'm
was.
pretty
I mean,
sure
it
all
was better than expected. Yeah.
yeah. And the jobs thing. So that also helped right there when we had that A15 news. It was A15
Mm-hmm.
that we made that new higher day,
Mm-hmm.
right? Even though we had a out of stack low, but the we already dropped 1%, right? And we got the monthly mid. That's telling me, buy the dippers out here. So they came, they bought it, took it all the way back to Tuesday range, and now Trump started talking this afternoon, and
Mm-hmm.
it was already
Now we
priced in,
slipping
no
and
move.
sliding.
Now we slipping. Now we coming testing the Tuesday low. If we lose this low,
Mm-hmm.
then it opened up for a little more downside. But we hold here overnight, party continues. Is that is that key for me? So this low right now, right here, right now, is very, very key.
Mm.
Okay.
You know what's
So we.
crazy though, Dre? I gotta say this, bro. I think that from the stuff that I've learned in the boot camp so far, bro.
Mhm.
Uh, Especially like today. I think today's lesson was or this week we talked about like locking in the weekly highs and lows, bro. Just looking at this weekly candle structure, bruh, I feel like we are in the body of a red weekly candy, a red weekly candle, bro. Like,
Yeah.
bruh. I don't know, dog. Like, I
Yeah.
mean, I'm just saying, like we just talked about it before we went live, which is that if Bitcoin may have found a bottom,
Right.
however, the market may have to kind of follow a little bit of a suit the same way,
Hmm.
get a little bit more of a flush, and then we'll be off to the races. And like I said earlier too, bro, like the VIX just makes me feel very uneasy, bro. Like I just don't like how it's looking right now, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta be,
We
gotta be.
also got, I know we don't have NFP on Friday. We usually get it, but that's something that ah suspect. We got no data, but we're gonna
Yeah,
treat Friday like a regular NFP day. Let's see.
yeah,
Let's
yeah, for
go.
sure,
Let's see
for
what
sure.
happens. So we come, start going down, and we gotta follow price. We
Yeah,
gotta let me
Yes, we
let me
do.
see. What's that?
we'll see.
This stuff is looking. Yeah, yeah. We just rejected right now the weekly mid to the
Mm-hmm.
T twice. So we came 1800 drop top 7 o'clock wapam to previous hour low. You know. So we are bearish right now for sure. But in
Uh, let's see. Nah, I feel you. Also said this week 100% looks a bit weird.
mm,
It does, but you know what? That's typical NFP weeks, right? Things are a little bit wacky. Um,
mhm.
you know, he said very focused on the VIX for sure, bro. Very focused on the VIX as well, man. It is it's holding particularly strong. It ain't really breaking down. So that all, if anything, that just means we're gonna be in a more choppy environment, right? We're more prone to, you know, a wider range, that kind of thing. Trump got an announcement at 11. Yes, he did announce that he will be talking, uh, or he has another big announcement at yo, what was his big announcement today? I really didn't even watch that shit,
I
man.
ain't I ain't getting no headlines from it.
I think it was something about like the medicine. I see. My point is this: is honestly, it's all a distraction sometimes, bruh. It's all a distraction, dog. It really just be a distraction. Um, Cardave said, "Yeah, it got me second guessing my heavy trades."
Mhm.
Yeah, man. I definitely have kind of lightened up, uh, or not necessarily lightened up. I just haven't really been putting on too much new risk like that, just
Mhm.
until I get a little bit better feel. And yes, the dollar. That you're talking to the dollar. I'm surprised Dre ain't mentioned the dollar. The dollar is at a
Yes,
hundred, at a
yeah,
hundo. So
yeah.
I'm
I be
surprised you
peeping the
ain't say
dollar.
nothing about that. You been heavy on the yields in the dollar.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was actually saw it. I saw it last night. I didn't want to. It just been so dead. Like people don't even care about it no more. But yeah, it been
But
pushing, bro.
that's the problem, right? When it's be dead, it can
Yeah,
slowly start creeping back to life, and
right,
then next thing you know, it creep back up on you, and you like, whoa, what happened?
right. Yeah, but yeah, I saw it. Last week actually. I saw this. So I'm like, yo, okay, we moving this week right here, and then
Mm-hmm.
I guess the time change affected these ranges, so we started pushing, came into the month, and now we making, you know, we up here at this highs, these wicks.
Mm.
So I don't know. Yeah, oil, dead, EOS, EO acting up. You know, this is funny
Yo,
right
did you
now.
see that? The yields was pushing today.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, EOS acting up, which
Mm-hmm.
is I guess they defend those lows I was talking about right here. I have my line.
Mm-hmm.
This is that line right there. I didn't want that low to be cracked because I know we want yields drop lower, but we don't want it to go super lower either. We gotta get this stabilized. You know, we don't want them crazy.
Nah, I agree.
So
I agree.
the 20-year hold their lows as well.
And the bonds took a nice little
Four
lick in the
five.
day.
Yeah, this had me worried right here on my position. I didn't
So
like
yeah,
this.
man. With that being said, it's definitely some shit that's under the radar that um
Hmm.
yeah, it's not all. And then if we look at certain other things like market breadth, or if we look at the percentage of stocks that are over their 20-day, 50-day, stuff like that, they all
Hmm.
are under. It's not looking healthy under the surface. You know what I'm saying? Um,
There's some cracking under the surface for sure. Yes, sir.
for sure. It's not all peachy and creamy. So I'm like,
Yeah.
ah.
Yeah. But yeah, this Tuesday range is key for me right here, right now. Like I said,
Mm-hmm.
this low, we defend this low overnight,
Mm-hmm.
then we can continue to the upside tomorrow. Just gotta see. Now I know it's out of stop low right now, but hey, it can happen.
Hmm.
We got a 1950 low, but so either London made the low day, or we, we start dancing up and down here, come make a low and then push, or go higher and then lose and then drop. You know, you just got to see how
Mm-hmm.
they make it. They give it to us. Goal is it's slowed down. Goal, not crazy like it used to.
Mhm.
Um, Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin back door.
Mm-hmm.
We good. We holding. Let's see, we still holding. The babies, like you said, is he held that minute today,
Mm-hmm.
so expect some crazy moments still above this 50%. Mm. And
Damn, what is going on?
what we push?
I mean, yeah, we like pushing back
Yeah,
up though.
yeah.
They kind of, I'm surprised. Could just be a nice little pump real quick before we go back down, but
Yeah, we closing a little long.
Yeah. This is
no.
that Tuesday range. Yes, it's gonna be defended for sure. Yep, yep.
Let me see.
Right here,
Uh,
this box.
yeah.
Let me take this out. Yeah,
Oh yeah,
right
we
here.
hit the low. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It came from new 15-minute open, push up. We take that 50 minutes high, and
Yeah, if we
for it
take that
to.
prior 15, then
Yeah.
that's a problem.
I mean, I'm bulled
Mhm.
up, so I'm good. Let's go. I'm black.
He's back,
Black
y'all.
up, and
He
I'm
is
back, baby.
back.
Yeah.
He
This
is
is what I
back,
wanted to
y'all.
see. This
He's back. He's
is
back
good
on the
for me.
bull side.
Yeah, I am.
It's hilarious,
Let's
bro.
go. Tuesday 9:30 range is that box. This one is Tuesday 9:30 to 10:30. Stretch out the whole week. So when Tuesday made the range from 9:30 to 10:30, the high and the low, right? If I take this away, you're gonna see a wick here. So this is the low. So take it off. That's that wick, and then this 10:30 high. So you stretch it out for the whole week. Same thing the way I don't know you like ICT. Same thing ICT do Sunday. New week up in the gap. The same thing for Tuesday. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's nation balance. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You in the trick, Quadree?
No, waiting to go long, waiting to confirm long, and we go long. If not, then I already,
Mm-hmm.
I already took the short.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm up $300 for the night.
Oh, you took one earlier?
Took a gold show, yeah.
Oh, you still messing with gold, huh?
Yeah, early Asia, yeah. But it's not
Early.
moving like it was. So it's calm down. Till we find the Lord, we start pushing again. Say, I think you have a question.
Oh, you got a question?
I don't even know that. Javi, what company is that?
What's the question?
What's your
Uh,
tone?
what's your thoughts on Joby being in a few years below $5? I think Joby. He said they've still got Joby from 5 with you in 2021. I think Joby, that's the company they do like they thought they was gonna be doing the what do you call it? Like the airplane, the car airplanes and shit.
Mm, aviation.
Um, yeah, aviation. I'll be honest with you, bro. That company ain't my cup of tea, yo.
Okay.
I don't really know too much about them.
Mm.
Yeah, I would tell you, bro. They not my cup of tea, bro.
Yeah, shit.
Yeah. What up,
Matter.
Tyrone? We got a new viewer. You know, he said they're about to get approved by FAA. I mean,
Bowie was good, babe. But we got a new Bowie. Bowie, that's my London trader. He's a pack member too.
where you see that at?
Yeah, Bowie. He's up top. Uh,
Drez. Okay, yeah, I missed that one.
yeah, him. Yeah.
What we got here? Jay said just got 6,900 calls for Friday NFA. Yeah, we
Mm,
was, it was funny. We was talking about those in my community and how cheap they was.
mm.
Because they were pretty cheap, believe it or not. Um, it was pretty cheap. It was pretty cheap. So we'll see, man. We'll see. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's funny because Dre bulled up, and as he's bulled up, I'm cautious now because I
Oh
don't.
my god. Let's
Listen,
go.
I'm not a seller or anything like that,
Okay.
but I'm like,
We back, boy.
this
We
is
back,
shit,
man.
bro.
We
This is
back.
no, not until I see that VIX under 16. Shit, that's the only
This
thing
shit
that's
about
throwing
to
me
get
off.
smoked.
That's the only thing that's throwing me off is the VIX. We're
Mm.
good. We above the monthly 50, but see, I don't like how the futures market tested the monthly 50 overnight and then immediately bounced off of that. And this is they keep doing
You
that
like
now.
it? Yeah.
I don't like that they doing that when it's not in the cash session. I would prefer for that to happen during the cash session, and then everybody can kind of be in the game. But ah, nah, Strat King, ain't nobody flipping sides.
No, we're
I
not
ain't flipping
flipping.
sides. I'm just at this point. This is where I'm just a little bit more cautious now. Because again,
Yeah.
like I said, I don't is and again the thing that's throwing me off is the VIX, bro. That's it. That's the only thing that I don't feel it doesn't make me feel warm and fuzzy. Now, i.e., if today rally would have happened how it happened, and say the VIX didn't close at 18, say the yields didn't rally the way they rallied, say the
Mhm.
dollar ain't pushed the way it went pushed, then I'd have been like, all right, we good. But we rallying with a lot of negative signs that makes me feel a little uneasy, bro. I feel like they got to do one more good little
Swipe.
whoosh.
Yeah.
And then, because put it this way, Dre, even
Mhm.
in October, we did get a retest or close to that monthly 50, right? After we had the big crash on the October 10th, like 2 days later, they went down and they wicked it back up. Cool.
Yeah.
We just need something like that.
Okay.
And then if we did something like that and we recover, all is
Mhm.
well. But right now, man, I don't know, dog. I
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
know.
So it's
And
tracking, right?
go
He
ahead,
say
my
I'm
bad.
switching side, flipping. The thing,
I'm not.
okay,
Ain't nobody. Oh, you talking about me switching? I ain't switching sides.
me,
Stop
me,
it.
me, me, like me. The reason why I was the past 2 weeks I was like weird. It was Bitcoin had me
You
weird.
was a seller, bro.
Yeah, I was a seller because Bitcoin. That's how I measure risk. I know there's other ways to measure risk, but for me, Bitcoin is one macro I've tracked risk. And if that thing is dropping the way it was and not moving, like I
Mm-hmm.
know it moved,
Mm-hmm.
it's risk off for me. Now,
Mm-hmm.
company will go up crazy. Tesla will do the thing, all of that. That's popping. That's fire. But NQ was moving terrible last week. 2 weeks ago, that shit was doing wild shit. Nah, okay, I was not even trading it because I didn't like the way it was trading. I didn't even like it at all. Bitcoin got to a level that I could say, okay, now we're talking. We got to 98, 90, whatever, 90, what we got? 90, 98. Okay, now we saw a bounce. I'm not saying we're out the woods yet, but I see we are buying here. Some buyers here, right? Now we can still come swipe and still go up. And we start closing below, I'm gonna express. I'm gonna be like, I'm the first guy. I'm gonna be like, no, we're still dropping. You know. So
Mm-hmm.
this is check. Now the other check was happened last night in the live show. This is another check. came, bounced. We were down what, almost 1% last night,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and rally double that. Like that's bullish, man, for me. When I see that, okay, I'm like, all right, what am I missing? This is the low of the month. We're gonna see, right? But I like what I've seen right now on the bullish side. Now, for this week, we got to the weekly levels that I like to the downside. I ain't looking for shorts. If it happens, yes. If I get the settle, I'm a short. But my mind is telling me buy the dip, right? Get close here, close below there. I'm flipping because that's gonna be there's three type of pullback: quarterly pullback, monthly slowdown, which is this 50, and go home, pack your bags, come back in 6 months, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, when I go here, quarterlies, the monthly low is here. That's goddamn. For now, that's a crazy drop, 5% drop, almost 6, right? That can happen. I'm not saying it can't happen. We gotta get below here first. That's why. I'm not
Right.
afraid. Yeah. So, you know, that's it. That's how I'm watching prices. That's how I that's how I'm approaching it, On to below 50, yeah. Open mute for more downside. We hold that 50, party continues.
I'm short.
You sure
You
what?
sure?
IQ?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go, Bill.
Wish me luck.
No, you
Let's
don't
go.
need luck when you got this
Listen, you
information we
got
got. You don't need luck when you got certain information, bruh. Hey, I don't know if Austin and Mickey on, but bruh, ever since getting some of this information, I be looking at Twitter now, bruh. I be giving the super side eye.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Giving it, huh?
It's dangerous. What we know is crazy.
It is, bro. It's like, yeah, man, kind of
Yeah.
wild, bro.
It's the data. It's not. It's just pure like math and data. That be like,
Mhm.
okay, cool story, bro. But this is what it. This is how I.
No,
Cool story.
that is how it be though. You be
Yeah,
like, cool story, bro.
cool story, bro. You got it. Yeah, yeah. That's valid, bro. But my
No,
process telling
right,
me
you ain't lying,
this.
bro.
Yeah, yeah, bro. So I could call like Strakin said it this early, like Bloomberg. Man, listen. Yeah, we could argue with Bloomberg right now. Shit.
Dre, you funny as
I,
hell.
yeah. Yes. Mm. Here we got. Yeah. RTY. You see, RTY closed above that Tuesday range. That's good. And on the daily, we came to this low day. This is popping. Let me take this out. I liked it last night. Straight up came to that swing. Hold that 25th
Look, don't get
October.
Dre. Don't get me wrong, bro. We did test some key levels, right? And the bounce looked
Yeah,
good. The issue is what time it happened,
I got you.
as well as like I said, the VIX, bro. The VIX. VIX, man.
Hmm.
I don't like it, bro. I really don't, man.
Yeah.
What is popping, bro?
Huh?
I don't. This looking like we might. I don't know. Let's see.
Or he want to see your chart on the big sign tracking.
They show us your VIX chart. What you saying? Okay. I got you. Let's go to the VIX. Let me pull this up here.
Mm.
Oh, excuse me. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Quadree.
All right, the VIX. Let's go see. I gotta turn some shit off real
We got
quick.
5 minutes, 8 o'clock. I don't know if it's gonna be crazy, but just buy high 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then what you call it? The what is it? What's the hell? That other index, the Nikkei or whatever.
The
Bro, that
Nikkei,
shit must have had like a 4% drop. We ain't had nothing.
yeah.
Like, what kind of shit is that?
Yeah. What's good, Car?
Carl's in the
We got the
building.
whole gang. We got the whole gang
He said,
today,
"All right,
baby.
it's a side effect that comes with it." Hey, you ain't lying. All right, let me take down Dre's screen real quick. All right, the VIX. So striking. Let's go take a look, bruh. So this is what I'm seeing, my
Mhm.
G. And I got some alerts here. I'm gonna just delete this one for now. And where we at with it? All right, so a couple things about the VIX right here that I is right. Essentially, if I put it on a line chart, it's gonna be a lot easier to see.
Mhm.
Is we built this base,
Mm.
we broke out above, we broke about above the moving averages, and we have a long wick if I turn on the candles, right? And then we're pulling back, retesting, and now it's
Mm.
still holding these EMAs, right? So you can see the structure that it's kind of building, which is it had a bunch of lows, finally broke out, pulling back, but it's pulling back and it's creating a higher low.
Mm.
If I go to like just show you the candles or whatever, and I go to like a daily, what it's a couple of things that stand out to me. One, again, I think I mentioned this before. My criteria, right? Are we below the previous month 50%? And then the VIX, is it above
Mhm.
1820? If so, then sell the rip, right?
Yeah.
So today first of all, how November has been going is, first of all, we started out hot, right?
Yeah.
And then we got a nice little pump up to 20 on Tuesday. Now, here's the key thing, right? Yesterday on Tuesday, the VIX was positive by 10%.
Yeah.
Now, if you watch certain people say, shout out like Ron Walker, a few others, they got this little VIX rule where if the VIX is up or down 10% in a day, then the following, you got an 85% chance of the next day being the opposite direction. So, i.e., we had a down day on Tuesday. So you had an 85% chance of between today and tomorrow being an up day. Well, we got the up day today, and the VIX pulled back only 5%, and it closed above the EMAs still, and it's still at 18.
Mm.
So technically, today could have been a bull trap. We don't know yet, right? But now again, this is just me thinking about some of the stuff like me and Dre be talking about. So like we like retest Wednesday. Well, if we are in a bearish trend, retest Wednesday is gonna be to the upside. Like he's saying, we retested Tuesday's range. Well, Tuesday's range was to the upside,
Yeah.
and when we got to that range, we rejected. So
To the
now, if you take the other thing we say, which is reversal Thursday. Well, reversal Thursday is going to be to the downside, right? Right. Usually, when you in a bull market, retest Wednesdays we go down, and then reversal Thursday we go up. Well, if we gonna be in a say what of a downtrend, well, if retest Wednesday was to the upside, then reversal Thursday could be to the downside. And then the last thing we say is follow through Friday. Now, let me just say this. With the new information that I have been equipped with, especially the lesson of today of locking in weekly highs and lows,
Let's go.
Look pretty goddamn good, bro.
Shout out to Austin, baby.
This weekly candle is looking real reddish, and it's looking like we in the body. So yeah, we may retrace up, but by the end of the week, man, I don't know, dog. I don't know, dog.
He hype, yo. You see how you got my boy?
Hey, I'm just saying.
I got my boy freaking hype,
saying,
man.
I don't know, dog. I don't know.
Man.
I'm just saying, I don't know, man. I'm just, I need to see a little bit more evidence.
I got you, Straki. Monday is observation Mondays.
He said, go ahead and give us Monday and Tuesday then. What you talking about?
Like the days.
Oh, next week.
No, retest Wednesday.
Oh, we don't got no. Oh, we call Monday observation Monday.
Yeah.
Observation Monday. That's when we just observe the market. I don't know. What's Tuesday? Taco Tuesday. I like that. Miller's in the building. That's one of my team leads. Doja Cat.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, Taco Tuesday.
Y'all just TP'd.
God damn, Quadree, you going crazy over there, my boy. Hold up, let me pull my damn screen now. All right, we done talked about enough of that. Quadree, you what, 3 for 3 tonight, dog?
Yeah, I caught.
That boy going crazy.
Caught the short here. Then I actually caught the long up here when y'all was talking, and then I saw that coming back down. I took the short up here, then down here.
Yeah. Okay, I got a few questions. Let me answer this real quick. So they said, can you say this? Can you say that again? What's the stat? Okay, so the stat on the VIX is this: if the VIX has is positive or negative by 10%, then you have an 85% chance that the next day or the next two trading days you're gonna get the opposite effect. So let's say the VIX. So prime example, right? Tuesday. The VIX was up 10%. Tuesday was a red day. So because we had a positive 10% on the VIX, then between Wednesday and Thursday, you will be looking for a green day on the market because it was red on Tuesday. And you also and if it's vice versa, let's say if Tuesday was a green day and the VIX was down 10%, then the next two trading days you'd be looking for a red day, and so forth. So that's basically the stat. And then I saw another one going. Oh, give us Monday. I saw that. Larry's in the building. Talked about the weekly yesterday. Yes, we did. We talked about Taco Tuesday. Chap said, I expect we slip down a bit, pop higher than today's high, and then we continue lower. Also, if we know where weekly highs and low probabilities are, guess what? That does for option selling money. Got it.
Yeah, man. It's straight rivalry. That's what it's called.
It is, man. So yeah, and you're welcome. You're welcome, family.
Yeah, man.
How we looking, Dre? We feeling? Or Quadree, how we looking? We pushing? We making a push?
We're
Come
dropping.
on.
We're dropping.
We're dropping.
So we probably see we're gonna see a retrace like we did when we touched this blue.
Yeah, we're testing that Tuesday low again. This is key, guys. Very key right now. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Strat King be. You know I'll be short. But
Yeah,
my last
I'm,
couple of trades been longs though, so I'll trade what I see.
I'm gonna start calling quadrilles red candles.
Not, but bro, the last two trades I posted was longs. This morning
Okay.
we were long.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, heavy. Yeah. Say quiet. You know already he's short. Shit.
I ain't sure. I'm just watching. I'm watching. It's not. It's got to. Yo, for one, the problem is like you said, it's playing with that Tuesday low. I don't. So I'm
Hmm.
just watching. I'm just watching. I'm trying to see what it's gonna do.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Spanish. Um.
Let's see what
Let's
goes.
get it.
Nothing.
Go.
Ugly.
Well, it's holding here, losing. Yeah. Damn. Like I want to get low in Q right now. Um. Let me see. How much points is that? I mean, 10 points. Uh,
Yeah, I see what you see.
yes,
Hmm.
sir. That's 19. I need a little lower.
Oh yeah. Yep.
If I get a little lower, I get in. Or if we swipe, come back in. Mm.
Boy. So hey, real quick though, let me I do want to just kind of talk a little bit about something. So
Mhm.
just sharing a little bit of what I'm learning. I think it'd be pretty cool to share something real quick with the people. So uh like I said, y'all, we're on episode number 40. So if y'all been rocking with us for a good, then you guys know that I love my Fibonacci's. I was a Fibonacci trader,
Mhm.
and still am to heart, right? Not too familiar, I did I tried the ICT stuff, but I don't know it all like that. However, I do want to show y'all something pretty dope though. So, um, as y'all know, when it comes to me, what I like to do is when I get the weekly candle, I find the high and the low, and depending on the direction that I'm looking for, I want my extensions to, go that way, right? So if looking at my screen, you can see
Jose,
that, I was
can you take your Jose, can you take your watch list away?
my watch list.
Yeah,
Oh,
so it's creepy bear.
there you go, like that. All right. So you can see that I take the high, take the low. Um, the weekly, this is the weekly 50%, right? So this is a key level for me.
Mhm.
Because if we were going to go bullish, I want to see the market above this weekly 50%. If we below it, then I think we can see downside. Now we do also, and some I wouldn't even say this is an ICT concept. I knew this from my very first mentor that told me how to trade, which is volume gaps or whatever the hell you want to call it. I call these volume gaps because the bodies of the candles don't touch, and basically, they you would think that it's like Tetris, right? You want to go back and fill these gaps. You want the puzzle to be complete. So, we definitely are going to likely, I would be thinking we're going to test this gap. It is what it is, right? So I would be aiming for this for, like a low hanging fruit type of thing. That's why I got 68.25 as the gap fill. As you can see, we're sitting right on my very first extension, which is 868.1350, as well as, and this is why Dre, I'm like, man, I don't know, bro. That rejection at that weekly 50% is too pretty, as well as we open below the 618, which is even more like, So, looking at the structure of this weekly candle, I'm like, man, this looks like a pretty goddamn good high. Again, knowing what I know. And, we made this, and then this low where we hit the month, where we came close to the monthly 50%, this happened overnight. So that's why I'm like, right? This didn't happen on the cash section. This happened overnight. So that's that, right? But here's like this is some of that sauce that Dre be giving y'all. But now, like just some of the stuff that I learned, like so recently in the boot camp, we got this thing called the 12-hour MAE, right? 12-hour MAE MAE, right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put it on the weekly. Put it on the weekly. Because what I like is, for me, I like the confluence of this with my Fibonacci levels. So the first thing I see, Dre, is this MAE is right where we formed the weekly high, which is right at the 50% fib, and we got rejection.
Yeah.
And I'll remove these for now. I don't even need those on there. Right. So I'm like, oof, this is, even without the data that I have, I would have been looking at this rejection like, ooh, this is good.
Right.
Then we got extension all the way down here to this one, this 0.1618 to this 675. But again, all of this happened overnight. Now, once again, learning what I learned, these are not good low times. Like, this happened at 20. What's that? That's like 20 is 10 o'clock. I think
20 is 18 6
18:06, 19:07. Yeah, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, so it happened at 10 o'clock. Then this one happened at 5 or 6. That ain't bad. But mainly it's this one that stands out to me. It's like, damn, that's a weird time. It's right by the 50. They trying to set people up, bro. But again, like I was saying, as far as just, I like some of the confluence. So you can see, I think Dre has told us before, but like, yo, these hit levels, like, this is 100%. This is 90.
I just hit TP, brother.
Yeah, TP. Oh, you took a short?
I took the long with you, brother.
I got along.
Oh, y'all took a long?
Yes,
yo, Quadree, lock up your account, bro. That's like your fourth trade, dog.
Bro, I'm seeing you something.
Going ham tonight.
Yeah.
But yo, Dre, I swear to God, Dre
yeah, these
what happened, bro?
Like percentages. Y'all going ham, bro. Y'all, man, listen, I can't trade during the boot camp. This sucks. I'm about to start doing the paper trade.
Bro. I just did a Dre trade to T. Yo, I risked, like, don't no lie. I had a whole mini on my
wrist. Look, when I finish this real quick, I'm gonna let y'all talk about y'all trades. But I just want to finish. So, just basically looking at the confluence. So my fibs with these boxes, I'm like, ooh, it just gives me a higher probability that I know these fib levels are going to likely get hit. Again, you can even see we hit it here, down here, bouncing nicely off those fibs, which is in confluence with that. And so that's just that, and that's, for me, that's just the one tool that I'll share tonight, bro. They got hella more tools and resources, bro. That's just one right there. That's just one of the
many.
Out of many. And what y'all got to realize is I'm only week 3 in. I don't even finish till January, bro. Like, I got so much more.
Listen, Yeah,
So
this.
Dre is
Yeah.
the one that can really give y'all the whole and Quadree, both of them, they both can really give y'all the full rundown. But I just wanted to share that as far as like a cool teacher moment, as far as like, what I've been learning and how much of a difference um is made.
For me,
And then Dre, I'm gonna pull
and
you. So you get Dre two things. Talk
yeah,
about your thing and then talk about your trade too that you just hit.
okay.
But go ahead.
For me, the Buka Daily Profiler, the pack, it has developed me into being more patient, build a business plan, which I didn't have. Like I didn't even know what that meant. Look for cash flow trade, which is, hey, the trade could go 150,000 points. I just need 15 cash flow trades. Boom. Build my accounts. Treat my accounts like a business. Um, the tools are ridiculous, insane. Like, bro, stacks. It's math. He showed me how to bad test. Like I could come in on a Saturday and bad test what I see, what I don't see, if I'm making shit up. And yeah, like it just like this trade right here, right now. I like wicks. Something I do. I look for the swing high, swing lows. Like Zay. We got MFE, MAE, right? This is just areas. We might come down, see price come in, and we might get a bounce, right? Now, we made a low. Tuesday made sense. They defended this low, right? I know that. I waited for this. I put my stop loss 10 points from this low. This 10 points right there. That's what I said before Zay started talking. I said I wanted a little longer when we were dropping. Will tag me on this swing. Why is a swing? Because I I use it. I see it like a middle finger. I have a finger, and I yeah, that's how I see it. I have a finger here, and
Nigga Dre said, "Fuck you."
and
My bad. Go ahead. I just that shit was funny. He said I
and
see it
then
like a middle finger.
I spy the previous swing low. So I like to take the fib out of this. I like to measure the not fib. I like to measure this low, and then I have three entries, right? One, two, three. I don't like this one. Why? Because I trade in Q. If I get up here, I'm risking this low. That's too much points. That'll be 30, 28, 6 points. I ain't doing that. I'm trading minis. No, I need at least here, and this is the dagger. This is the best entry. This. Why? Because it's closer to the stop loss. I
Yes.
usually risk 10 points on NQ, and I'm cool with that. 10 points is like $700, 600. I don't even know.
On the NQ, that's 200.
Look, there you go. Two, yeah. 200 plus two. That's $400 for me because I
Mm-hmm.
trade two contracts. Right? Came
Mm-hmm.
in, tag in. Now I just need 15 points. Like I said, cash flow trades. Out of that trade, I got tag in. 15 is my TP. And that's it. So I got TP there. And he went more. He went for 36 points. I don't care about that. I need 15. Why? Because look, he turned back on me. I don't know that. I just want to cash flow. Now he can do whatever he wants. He can even go here. I took my trade and I'm happy. That I learned being patient, being um knowing what I'm looking for on my business plans. The only trade I take for longer targets is another time. It's just 9:30 in the morning. That's the only trade that I can hold for ridiculous amount. Now, if I get a crazy setup like you see me had here before, then I'm holding the trade because it just go without me even on like, oh. I'll be like, yo, it just went, you know? And yeah, that's it. We need to hear you.
Beautiful. Okay, so we got a couple
Yeah.
of questions, family.
What's up?
Shrek King said, Quadree all smiles and shorts tonight. He said you've been
Yeah.
balancing it out lately though. Shrek King said Tuesday high was the Tuesday high was the tap of the beginning of a bearish 12-hour fair value gap. Today was 50%.
Mhm.
Monday PM. Gotcha. Miller says C.
Mhm.
Tyrone. What's up with the boot camp? So it's offered through the Pack Trade Group, right?
Mhm.
The next boot camp will be January. Don't worry. If you watch the show, we will give out the information. You can always shout out to Austin and Mickey. They do a live stream on Monday and Friday. If you the guy in the chat, AC Trades, if you go to his YouTube channel, they do a live show on Monday and Fridays, and
Yeah.
you can get the information there too. Um, and yeah, so it's run by another community and more information. Stressing, I can't wait for Candle Science next week. You got them right. I'm looking forward to that one. That one I feel like won't make my brain hurt as much. Yo,
Yeah.
that variance talking all that this morning, I was like, God, yo, Vicky ain't lying. I was like, shit, I'm back in statistics class, cuz I left college like 20 years ago, dog.
Yeah.
Pibby said, my boy Dre.
Oh,
He said,
hey, shout out to Dope. That's the go right there. Shout out to PP. Thank you for coming through, man. That's
Mike
a
is in the
really,
building.
yeah.
Dre, we need you to teach us how to trust 15-minute NQ candles.
I got you, bro. Just look for the wicks. I got you, bro.
Carl, the data is the data. Everyone has access to it. The pack helps you build a business plan around multiple trade setups, gives you the tools to read live price and the confidence to execute. Exactly. Well said. That's exactly. It's like a framework, bro. You like no matter what you kind of trade, like you can find your way through the information and the framework and the data that they give you. So it's a lot of people in a group and everybody trade different ways. You just gotta adapt. But like that's what Dre's saying, that's what Carl's saying. Like you build your business plan. I haven't gotten to that part yet, but
No,
you
you,
go
yeah,
through all
totally.
the necessary steps to figure out, okay, what time am I going to trade? And what's going to be the setup I'm gonna look for, this and that. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah, you find
I'm
out
gonna
what
just
type
say
of
this,
trader
man.
you are.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll just say this. For a long time, like I've been in this game a long time, 2017, right?
Mhm.
And I done did or watched every kind of technical analysis video you could think of, man. And a lot of that shit is just the same. This is the first time where I feel like this is genuinely different. Like, ain't nothing else out there like this. Like, and I don't care. ICT folks, y'all can hate me, but this shit blows ICT shit out the fucking water. Like, it ain't. I'm sorry. You
It
see this
comes from
stuff?
there, bro. It
Like,
comes from ICT.
huh?
It comes like the daily. It
I
literally
don't
builds.
know, bro. I don't think it come from him because
I
it's
mean,
just like
it
I bro,
builds
I just showed
a
you
lot of
how
things that
it's
he
confluence
builds.
with
Like a
it's
statistic is
confluence with the
different.
fib.
No, a statistic is a whole nother label. That's another like it gives ICT on steroids because it's statistic is makes the thing
I don't
happen
listen,
better.
Dre. I listened to some of the ICT stuff. To me, it has no. It's no. It's not comparable, bro.
It's not. No,
That's
it's not.
personally how I feel. I personally feel it's
It's
not
not.
comparable
It's not.
because
It's not.
I mean ICT got there. He got a new shiny object every other week. This shit
Oh,
here,
no, no, no. We don't do that here. No,
you drill into
no.
the same shit
Yeah, yeah,
every
yeah,
day. Repeat,
yeah,
repeat,
yeah.
and like Dre, I used to be an agile project manager. project manager. So I even in the runners, I talk about process improvement, repeatable processes, the steps, right? Because that's what was ingrained in me from being an agile project management. Continuous improvement. You redo the system, you figure out what went well, what didn't. You keep what went well, you throw away the shit that didn't, and you keep refining, but you keep working the same process over and over and over, and then you just get better. Dog, ICT, dog, that shit just, for me, again, this is for me, it's just all over the place, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I'm looking for this fair value gap. I'm looking for this order block. I'm looking for this breaker. I'm looking for goddamn this sweep of liquidity. I'm looking for I'm looking for this. I'm looking for a mitigation block. I'm looking for suppression block. I'm looking for an inversion value gap. I'm looking for, like, bro, what?
No, it's that. Yeah, no, that's not what I meant. What I meant is how
you feel me, Quadree? Like, bro.
I didn't mean no, yeah, like, yeah. I digress. That's not what I meant.
that's my point, Dre. It's just to me, again, this is just my personal opinion.
Yeah.
It's not comparable. I've watched the ICT stuff. This ain't nothing like that, y'all. Like, I'm sorry, it's just not. There's no other way to say it, yo. Because you know what? Here's a good way to put it, Dre. I think ICT shit is a lot of theories, right? It's a lot of theories. Oh, you gotta, like I said, all the different. Matter of fact, he said it right here, right? You got 96 PD arrays, right? The stuff that you do in the boot camp, like, it's just it's like you always, it's like you be saying, it's statistics and data. It ain't got nothing to do with theory. It's proven with facts.
It's real facts.
Yeah,
I don't.
Facts. You know what the facts ICT say is, he's the algorithm. Prove it.
Right.
Yeah. This stuff is provable. Right. Like, it's provable.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm sorry, bro. It ain't the same to me. Miller said, "Don't forget about the unicorn."
Yeah, we losing Tuesday rain, man.
He said, plus when we done. You see, ICT keep bringing out new tricks out of his hat, and after almost 4 years, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm weak.
Yeah.
Kev said, give you analysis. Exactly. See, that's another good point, right? ICT stuff give you analysis paralysis, right? You trying to figure out, again, what fucking concept am I looking for? Fair value gap, a breaker, this or that, this or that. This stuff is like, it's like it's fixed variables.
Mm-hmm.
Like you used to say, Dre, I know at this time I'm looking for this setup. I'm looking like it's never going to change. Right.
It's not.
You know what I'm saying? If anything, I'm just gonna I'm a size a little different. I'm gonna maybe tighten up my target a little bit, but I'm still doing this. The same I'm looking for the same time. Boom, boom, boom. Right. Facts. And so it's just. I'm sorry, bro. It's not. It's so much different, yo. So again,
it is.
This the one time. This is the one time where I don't care if ICT people attack me, because I'll stand on the sword for this.
You got a few
this
here.
Is way better. I don't want. I'll stand on that sword. I'll stand on that sword. This shit way better. I'm sorry, bro.
You got a few of those.
I'm not sorry. I'm not even sorry. Like, I'm just. It is what it is.
Yeah. We dropping like crazy though.
We definitely is.
I call that short number count.
Let's go, Quadree. Eating, dog.
Seen it.
Good way to put it, Candlestick. What did he say? Did I miss it?
All right, let me stop.
Oh, he said ICTX data and statistics. I don't know.
Yeah.
Imagine you bump your head and forget all that shit after years of studying. You funny as hell. He said the only thing that changes with the process is you progressively get better if you stick to a daily show up, have fun, and be bored. Yep, exactly, Austin. That's one said, Drez, is there this one for you, Dre? Is there a particular time of day that you look for the middle finger trade, or is it good all day?
I like a early at 6 a.m. That switch over, I look for it more than anything else, especially when we're coming from the low high. Like, damn, like this morning.
Damn, Quadree, I'm looking at your shit right
But
now. That shit, we
it
are
happens all the time. It's which one I want to use, and I like to use the one I'm learning now, the Asia, right? But I usually look for it at 6 a.m. Between 6 a.m. and 8:30. That's when I look for it the most. That's swing low or swing high trade. Looking for P12 mid, which is previous 12-hour mid. That's basically my my bread and butter. Yeah. So between the hours of 6 to 8:30 in the morning, that's when I look for it the most. Yeah.
bet. There you go. Jay said market makers do have certain times where they do stuff. Yes, they do, right? And like I had just mentioned, Jay, in the chat, like in this information, it aligns with that. Find your fixed constants, understand your variable times, and build your plan around that.
We watch my yeah, hell yeah, car. Yeah, baby.
There are a few funds that buy and sell a specific time on Thursday before OPEX, and that Friday I went down a rabbit hole. I feel you, bro, but I'm not gonna say. But I listen. There's a lot of different things that are very valid. Um,
Mm.
all I can say is this shit here is very enlightening. I'll never talk down on anybody else's process or whatever, because at the end of the day, if you making money, that's what we here for.
Mhm.
Um, but this it just you when you do this, and it's like, again, because I come from a finance background, I'm Dre always tell me, you was gonna love it, because I love numbers and shit. Like that's what I love,
Yeah.
and I love hardcore facts and data. So you can't argue with the information they're giving you, because it's provable. It's literally 20 years of data. It's like you can't argue me down. You know what I mean? Shit like that. I was like, I love that. Like, so now I just look at shit and I can just kind of side eye a lot of stuff I see. you
Yeah, bro.
know.
You save a lot of time too, and mental capacity. I
You said
think
what?
you save a lot of time and mental capacity now.
You
So
do.
yeah,
You really do.
and
You
who
really
cares
do.
what everybody got? With any type of strategy they got.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah. I'll tell y'all. So some of the improvements that I've seen in my trading, or just in the difference as far as how I see the market, right? There's something that we talk about, right? There's 4 daily classifications of a day. So
That's true.
now, my nigga, by 10:30, I already know what the day is gonna be.
Yeah.
Like, either we gonna be running, or we about to trend, or I mean, we about to run, or we about to range. That's one. What else? Now I prefer to just let the 4 fixed constants play out and then trade. So that's the Asia, London, New York 1, New York 2, right? I like to just let that shit, those time frames, I let that play out, and then I wait to get my signal, kind of go from there. You know what I mean? And
And
there's a
you
couple
always
of
love to trade the afternoon. Like
yeah, yeah. You
you
said what?
being on it, you always love to trade it
Yeah, 2 o'clock. That was
to
my. I used to love that.
yeah.
Yeah, but now
So
it's
yeah,
even better, because I'm like, ooh.
now you know. Yeah.
So it's like I got now, and wait until 2. I got all the data, Dre. I got Asia, London, New York 1, and New York 2, bro. I got
Yeah.
it all, so I really know. Yo, what? I
Yeah.
love it. Black Swan said, thank you, Zay. Not gonna lie, this ICT teaches that middle finger trade. I forgot what he called it. Listen, I'm not saying his stuff is like not good, right? He had like I see got some good shit. Like, don't get me wrong.
Oh
It's
yeah.
a lot. It's a lot. But I'm just telling you, I've done, put it this way. When I did the ICT shit, I would look at how I was doing stuff, and I'm like, bruh, this just a pivot, or this just that. Like I could easily translate what he was talking about into other stuff that I seen other places.
Right.
I'm telling you, this stuff here, you can't do that.
Mm-mm. No.
This is the first time I found something that's completely different.
Yeah.
I feel like ICT is onto something, but he a crazy conspiracy guy, so he go left with it instead of just getting technical with it.
Hmm.
I mean, he makes some good points, but it ain't shit that people don't know.
Okay.
Uh, Carl said 12 p.m. is king. Love it.
P12
Carl said we eliminate as many variables as possible and anchor our measurements to fixed constants like O5 boxes, P12, high, low, mid. Exactly. You know what I mean? And some of this stuff probably sound like a foreign language to some of y'all, but again, you know, you go through the
Right.
boot, you'll know. He said there is a reason there was a margin call today. Again, all valid, bro. All valid. I'm just telling you that I found something that's fucking superior.
Man, it's crazy.
Zay, you should consider to get on the voice one day and do one of your paper trade executions in the afternoon. We can't trade, bro.
It's tracking once you get your
He trying to
strap.
give me he trying to put me on parole, bro. He about to get me on probation.
Right. Yeah, man. Another thing is we take it serious too. We are, it's a beautiful process. Once you know how, because the thing is, you try and find how the daily candle is formed, right? That's and you are we forming a red candle, forming a wig, are we forming a green candle? Where we heading? We gotta, the market give you 4 times to make it high or low day. Once you know that, that eliminates a lot of guessing right from those things. Then you learn the classification of the day, DMP, the DWP, range one, range two, the hours, P12 mid, P12 high, P12 low. It's man,
This for you, Strat King. I'm about to take a. I'm taking a paper trade right now, bro. I'm about to show you how this works. So I'm trying to. I'm gonna see if they're gonna feel me at this fib right here. This 1350.
yeah.
They did feel me.
Let's go.
And then what I'm gonna target is this prior day. I'm gonna target this prior day mid right here.
Perfect. That's nice.
You can see Asia. We went, so this is what I'm talking about. Like, so here you go. Here you go, Shrek King. So this is how I'm seeing it, right? So Asia form. We got the short, and I know this could be a pretty decent high a day. I'm gonna target this prior day mid. And
Mhm.
we know that if I what's this? Where is 8? So 8 o'clock started right here. So what I would do is for my risk parameters. Honestly, I'll put my risk parameter right there. That's not bad.
No.
So we get back over Asia, OU anyway. That's probably like a change, and we might be looking to go back up. So that's a one. That's a
Mhm.
1-to-1. I'm gonna hit for 512, or I'm gonna lose 512. So we'll see how this. We'll see how this go.
Oh, you even getting tested on the grant. Yo,
You
go
know
ahead.
what?
You got a
What time
question.
do we need to worry about Asia going false? I
Ooh.
gotta see. I gotta go. Let me go. Let me go jump into my other toolbox real quick. Let me see if I got it. Where the
Yeah,
hell is it?
good one, Austin. Austin be on him, bro. That nigga don't
We
play.
do.
Let's go.
Oh, here we
That
go.
guy he be testing
Hold
niggas
on.
on left and right.
Hold
Uh, I only trade option. I only trade futures with this um camera.
Shit.
Yeah, like I see other stuff that I learned through Zay, and which time there's some things that we use for it now, but we're gonna still like we still got a bad test.
They got you with the
Come
daily profile out, Zay?
No, I'm trying to make the screen smaller so I can answer his question. Because to
yeah,
be honest, that's a good one. I don't know though, but that's a
you
good question. Fuck.
to put it in reset.
Fuck it.
For
Y'all just gonna
sure.
get y'all just oh shit. Y'all just gonna get to see. Y'all just gonna get to see my screen. So we short. If I'm looking for false, then 21. What is 21? That's like 11, 11, 15, 11, 30, Austin.
Hmm.
Yeah. Between basically between 20 is 10. Yeah, I think that hold up. Let me see. 18 is
No, no,
6.
no. Put it. Just push short. Don't pull
No,
false.
he said what time would I have to worry about going false?
Yeah, just poof. Take false off. Just short.
It's
Now
still
let's
the
see.
same. It ain't
Yeah.
changed.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, all right. Thank you, Miller. Miller is the GOAT, bruh. 9
Yeah.
p.m. 21 is 9. There you go. Between 9 and 10.
Hmm.
That's no time you got to worry about. So if it don't reverse by
Yeah,
9 to
he
10,
don't.
if it
Yeah.
don't reverse by 9 to 10, I'm good.
Yeah.
He said toggle all
Exactly.
false. It goes okay.
Yeah.
Austin
Father
said this is
legend. Yeah.
he said, "Listen, Carl, this is
He
good
don't.
though, bro. This is how like I told Mickey and Austin, look, I'm a kinesthetic learner, so this is why I be having to rewatch the video because I just gotta like get in the mud and just try it. But so rather doing it live like that's how I'm gonna drill this shit in.
Stop it. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So the key is as long as by 9, 10 o'clock, it don't make his way all the way up here,
Hmm.
bro. We making our way downtown, walking
Yeah.
fast.
Previous they made this is key.
That's my target. I think we can get that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
I think we can get that.
Yeah.
I think we can get that. And then if I look at, let me turn this off and go to a 1 hour because I still like to look at my higher time frames.
Magic
Like,
hour is from 6:30 to 8:20. Striking. That's when me and Carl Huggins right here. This is my guy right there.
ah,
And my other boy, I'll be honest, we don't be a pro.
don't be afraid. Y'all funny. It's a paper
That's when we
trade.
be on it. So right after random, that's when we come in and trade together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And
For real, bro. It's so funny because I know the weekly gap is sitting here at this 25, 25. I ain't going front. I'm moving this up just a little bit. Just a little bit. If you get to that weekly gap, that's cool. I don't think it will, but we'll see.
yeah, 8:45.
And you know what? I just realized something too. I have on
The weekly.
yeah, I need to
Yeah.
put on my this one.
Hmm.
This one was really I'm good. I'm good. Could have got a little bit of a better entry. Could have waited.
Right.
Probably got it right there, but as long as we
Why
don't
you
break.
why you say that? You got calls or puts? You got calls.
Kev said so. My weekly calls are cooked. I don't know yet, bro. I listen. I tried to tell y'all, bro. Listen, I put in the group. I told y'all, listen, man. The VIX trade played out, bro. Which was, we was up. What was that? 10%, or we was down 10. Yeah, the VIX was up 10%. So we was looking for a
Mm,
green day between today and tomorrow, anyway.
yeah.
Um, and we got the green day. I don't like the close either. That close was not pretty. So we're
To,
gonna see.
yeah.
Uh, about to move up big. Maybe it's. I mean, it's a paper trade. So,
Oh, good. You practice, bro.
and I did see something that I was like, fuck, they might come get me. If I go to the hour, I just noticed there's a little gap.
Mm.
It's a tiny little gap, right? I think it's one. Yeah, right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if they do push it up and tap that, which aligns with this. Again, aligns with this blue. So and then Dre, how's the how we looking on the range?
Oh, we got about
Are
that
we,
Tuesday low
we still
now.
in, we
We
still
could,
on Tuesday?
yeah, we got out, sucked back
Mhm.
into the ring. Shout out to Austin, and we are back on that low right now.
Word.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm in the paper long.
You long card? You sure it's paper?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm done trading.
Yes.
I'm done trading fundies right now.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
I had my fundies. I had my fund today. Yeah.
I just need
Yeah,
us to get back below that damn 1325.
mm. This is what we do, man. You guys, 6 a.m. Yeah. So today, peak game, right? Peak game today. Me and Carl, we were looking at London OU, right? So London OU, like P12 men, got their own probabilities, right?
Mm,
And there's the mo and the medium. Mo that happened the most, medium happened less. We did. We said when we got that news, we let New York open. New York won. And then we said, all right, the best time to get that mid is right at between 7:30 and 7:45. Well, we didn't get it 7:30, 7:45. Then we
mm,
said, okay, we probably come back later on. If we don't get it now, the
mm,
data drops 8 o'clock into 8:45 again.
mm,
And then we get up, made the high, broke the P12 high. And then if you see today on NQ,
eight.
they bounce that at 8:30 happened was London on you. And we
Mm,
just kept going higher for the rest of the day. So shout out to Carr and Austin too. Austin did their own, like this is when we all connect. That's another thing. We speak the same language in the pack. Like everybody knows what we're talking about. Like,
yeah.
but Austin see it one way, another way, Car another way, but we all
Yep.
connect. And
Yep.
when we all connect, this shit is powerful, bro. It's just crazy. It
Mhm.
just be like, oh my god, it just get wild. So yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
There we go. There we go. Come on
Mhm.
down. Come on down. Come on. Get back to that fib, man. There we go. There we go. Get back down to that fib. We just need to break under this 1350. God damn it. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. There you go. We almost there. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
Let's
You
go.
can do
We're
it.
watching Zabe put in
Push.
trade.
Come
Nice.
on. I need you to get back under. Get back under. Come on. Come on. Yo, what I want to see is a nice little good whoosh and come right down to this 68.11. That'd be
Yeah.
perfect. Nice little good push there. I feel a whole lot better. Come on.
Facts.
Let's go. Come on. It might bounce off this fib though. Oh, nope. There we go. Breaking down. Come on. We in the green now. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. We fighting. She battling. They
Now,
battling.
now, yeah, you see, Carl, I be talking to my candles. This ninja right here, bro.
She battling. Come on, baby. We battling.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I be talking to the candles too, bro.
Plus, this that
Yeah.
last this that last 15 minute too of this hourly candle. Well, them joints be going crazy, son. I ain't gonna front. That's one thing I learned from like back testing, forward testing, is that last 15, dog.
Last quarter.
They give it
Bruh.
up.
Whether either if it's a push up or a push down,
They
bruh,
give
you
it
get
up.
a whoo. That's what you get a good push then, dog. I'll be like, sheesh.
They definitely give it up that last 15
Yo,
minutes.
yes, they do, bro. I remember, matter of fact, I was looking at the end of the day today. Yo, that last 15 minutes, that candle push down so crazy. I was like, God dang.
Bro, that's why I was on that trade at so 745. 745 was short, and you see how we just even on the yes. If you on the 15 minute.
Come on, man. Crack this fib. Stop playing with it.
Stop playing with me.
We got 10 minutes. It's gonna come down to like the last 2 or 3 minutes. Yo, I promise you. Yo, Dre, today I was watching it. I was like, bro, the last 2 to 3 minutes, it just was like woof, woof. I was like, God, dog.
You see striking coming, bro.
What you say? Which one? This one? No, you talking about the other one.
No.
So Zay, you applying everything on the ES and watching that during the day, or you doing NQ at every run? I do both, bro. So I do the NQ to make sure, I'm keeping up with the lessons, I'm learning, and then I do the ES to reinforce my learning habits. This like talking to a slot machine in Atlantic City. Come on, baby. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, boy. Go ahead.
Said that's my bread and butter, the hourly flip and the 15 leading. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna love that. I know Father Legend, for a long time.
Yeah, he used to.
So,
yeah. This fib is holding on for dear life, boy.
Yo, man, Father Legend, man. Yeah, next bootcamp, bro. You got. Yeah, keep tapping in, bro. You're gonna be in good hands for sure. Like everything you know right now, you not because the thing is we're not changing how you trade. We're just gonna give you the sauce. And then
it's going to clarify some things, enhance some things.
So like me, I know you ICT. For me, like ICT market structure, I learned that there, hands down. But what I know now, man, listen, I could trade ICT right now, like shit. I'm long here, short. No, like before he used to say I'm short. I get nervous. I'm like, oh shit, he's short. I'm long. No. Now, cool story, bro. You short? Yeah, man. That's it, bro.
Right? That's no. And it's funny you say that, Dre, because now I get it and I really understand it. That's why I say I look at Twitter now and I'm just like you said, cool story, bro. Cool story, bro. You do you. I'm gonna do me because people really don't know the tools that y'all got over here, how powerful they are. So, and what you got to understand is when you do this thing, bro, you realize when you trade the right way and you got the right plan, if you take a loss, it's literally because it's more than likely an anomaly. Like it's some shit that this rarely happened. You just happen to, it's just one of them days where you ain't gonna be perfect. Ain't no system perfect, but you just know that when you do take a loss, it's some
yes, sir.
monopoly. It's just some monopoly shit.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Either Trump tweeted at that moment, you like, okay, nothing I can do. And listen, this like random say, there's 5 days in the week. 3 days, you're gonna
Yep.
feel like a fraud.
Yep.
One day, yo, listen, guys, I had no fucking clue what's going on.
Yep.
And then one day you're gonna be, 6 7.
There. Yep.
You're
Yeah.
gonna be like, you don't know.
I don't know.
But yeah, but 3 days out of that week, man, listen,
Oh, you gonna be
push it.
killing it. You gonna be
You
on
push
fire.
it. You,
Yeah.
It's bomb.
You gonna know.
That one day, that one day, that range
now,
day. That's
Yo,
yeah,
that's gonna be the day when I'm gonna lock my shit up and walk away, bro. Every time I see one of those days, well, it's a no trade day for me, buddy. Wrap this up
right,
early.
exactly. And then that what I said that range one day is dangerous. It's seek and destroy. You're in.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
right.
have that's seek
That
and
day is
destroy. Range
terrible,
one.
bro. Honestly, if most traders limited their decisions around entering on a 15-minute, they would stay out of a ton of bad entries, me included. Agreed. I looked at a 12-hour reversal to say if you held it from the break to the high with just 5 MQ was 3,400. You just had to be there in from the 7 a.m. to like 2. Don't worry, Strike King. You gonna get there, bro. You gonna get there. You gonna get there, bro. They are really, really testing the hell out of this
still
damn
long,
thing.
man. Still long.
You still long? You still what you long? You long what?
Thank you.
Holding on.
Yeah.
It's a battle.
It don't matter. We both paper in it, so
Yeah, it's a battle. That's why I say, look, we literally getting down to
I'm long, but I'm not long
Dre,
paper.
Dre, what did I tell you? It's gonna come down to the last 3 or 4 minutes.
He really look. Dre really in the trade right now. He's savage.
Yeah.
Oh, he's really in the trade. Oh, okay.
Yeah, baby. What you said? What you were gonna ask?
I said, look, it's really coming down to the last 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah. Switch your hour. Yeah, for sure.
It's starting to push back up a little bit.
Nah, but to go back to what Carl said, I'm in a mix of the higher time frames do limit your trading, which is good because you gotta wait for that setup.
They do.
I don't trade the 15 though, but it definitely does. When you look at it on a higher time frame, like wow, you only have one trade a day.
Listen, you traded 15 minutes. You will understand the 15 minutes. You put that on the 15 minutes. You put daily profiler. You're yeah, man. I could tell you this from my experience. This stuff changed my life. I'm not gonna front. This it literally it made me the Trey I am today. Like for sure.
Yeah, this 1350 is a champ, boy. This 1350 is a champ. This thing do not want to let go.
Car does. Yeah, Cartray. Yeah, he look at the higher time frame, but he trade lower time frame. He knows Car be in the game for a long time.
No, I'm not giving us a 3-minute tracking.
He said you giving him a 3 minute. That's growth.
Nah, I ain't giving 3 minutes out. That drink.
We about to hit 9 o'clock too, so we about to get an hourly switch over. We're gonna see what's popping.
Yeah, you probably got a new quarter low. Let's go, Zay. I'm already done. I'm out there.
Oh, you already out? Oh, God. All right, good.
Yeah, I'm done for the night though. I got $800 for the night. So
800. Oh, that's good.
Ooh, I got. I'm up there with Dre. I got 790. Close.
Yeah, baby.
Close it out. Wrap it up.
Oh no, I've been done. I'm done.
2 trades.
Quadree, what you ending the night at? What, 4 for 4? 5 for 5?
5 for 5. So I took
5 for 5.
I took 3 in one account, and then my other account I took 2.
Let's go, man. That's good shit. Dre, what you 2 for 2?
2 for 2, yeah.
2 for 2. Good shit. Good shit. Good
Yep.
shit. Don't worry, folks. I'll be back on it in January. I have to take a break. I'm just papering it up, just soaking in all this good information.
Yeah, what we did today was good.
Oh,
we
yeah.
should do it.
I got busy.
Like,
Y'all got busy.
Yeah, this today was.
And we gonna see how this paper trade go. This will be a good way to end it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
it's about to.
Bro, look at this shit. Literally, look, we're gonna get down to the last. We in the last 45 seconds. Let's see if it's gonna close. If this shit close on this 1350, that's gonna be some funny stuff, bro.
Right. Also,
I'm gonna do like this too, though.
remember, it's
Break.
you versus you every day. So you gotta control your emotion till because it's still gonna happen. It's just, you're not free from that. That's still those days, but it's gonna be the habit how you trade to not let that happen to you and kill your accounts and be like, nah, nigga, this is my stop loss. I'm stop. That's it. You know, don't go crazy.
Let's see, 9 o'clock.
Come on. But yeah, Strike King, I'm definitely I'm in student mode, and they made some good points. I ain't in no rush. Take
Mhm.
this break, and when I come back, bruh, I'm coming back with vengeance, dog.
Yeah.
Coming back with vengeance. We got a new hour, new hour. Now, with that being
Mhm.
the case, so Dre, let me ask you a question, right?
Yeah.
Well, really, I could do like this because we got the hourly candle. So I want to see 50% of this hour candle,
Yeah.
and 50% of this hour candle is 1325.
Hmm.
It ain't quite there. Let me do 1325. So if we stay above 1325. If we stay above 1325, then it's very probable we can come up and try to get this little gap that they left. If we get below, I think we go lower.
Yeah.
So
Let me see. ES. ES is. Oh, ES is not. Yeah, ES coming down, baby. Let's go.
that's why
Yeah,
look.
yeah,
We all look. We look.
yeah, yeah, yeah. We coming down.
Come
Yeah,
on,
we
baby. We
dropping,
gonna
baby.
let this look. We better let this trade work, bro.
Yeah,
Either it's gonna
yeah, it's
stop me out.
coming.
See, I'm just gonna
Yeah,
stop me out, or we gonna get this bread.
right.
Get this paper bread. And we just broke
We're,
below the 1325. So we below that last
uh-huh.
hourly 50%. We just put in,
Yeah.
hopefully this will be an instat high for this hourly candle. And if that's the case,
Hmm.
once we get to the next 15 minutes, I could move my stop to like somewhere up in here because it ain't supposed to break above that. And then just ride that thing down for the next hour.
Yeah. No stop loss. No, just straight breaks.
Well, hopefully it get to my
um.
target, though. I just needed to get to my target and then I'm good to go.
Oh yeah,
I'm
you
a,
got it.
I'm gonna leave the stop there. Friday mid, right? I think we
Yeah.
get there, bro. I think it's gonna get there.
Oh yeah.
I think it's gonna get there. It looked ready to break down. Come
Okay.
on, there
Let's.
you go.
Hmm.
Give me a nice good flush. You can see the trend too. Little quick pop, or down, quick pop, down, quick pop, and come on down.
You want this quarter one to make it a low, and yeah, or make the high. Quarter one make high. Boom. Keep going dropping.
Yeah.
Because NQ tested that Tuesday low. ES is still in that middle of the Tuesday range.
Is NQ, where's it? Let me go. I'm gonna go back to your screen for a quick second. Where are we at when it comes to the NQ in the Tuesday range?
We right there about in that low.
We still battling the low. Okay, we haven't quite broke
Oh,
it.
what I do? Oh, no, no. Yeah. Right here.
Got it.
So we got out close below.
Yeah.
Got sucked back into the range.
Yeah.
Now we coming right back then.
Yeah. We just need a Trump tweet, bro.
Yeah, man.
Just give me a quick Trump tweet, flush it about 10 points. I'll be good to go.
Right. Yeah.
But nah, this ES trade looking good though, Dre.
Yeah.
I'm getting some movement now. Hold up. Let me
Q.
put it back. There we go.
Yeah. Let's
I'm
go,
getting
man.
some movement. Come on. There we go. Come on.
E.
Come on. 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 Come on.
You see what I get a car? Come on now. I be
Yo, I
talking.
definitely gonna look. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. We here. Come on, y'all. Hey, I did this for you, Strat King. I hope you paid attention.
Let's go, baby. Here we go. Now that wick, you see that wick to your left? That green?
This
We
one.
fighting that wick. That one, yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, if we can just break. Once we get
break
below
it,
that right there,
it's game time.
yeah, it's gonna really start to flush.
Oh yeah, it's about to fall for sure.
Yeah, it's about to flush. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You short on Mike? Mike short, I think. Yeah, we need Mike in the boot camp, man. That nigga be lit. I'm watching. Oh. He watching.
Oh, Strat King saying he watching good.
Yeah, he watching.
Tell you, man, we gonna.
Yeah.
I think
Let's go. Oh, Mike on it.
Mike Short, he said. Q
Yeah,
told
Mike.
me to join, but I didn't. Mike, we gonna talk you into the next one, or at least one try.
Yeah, man. Watch Strat King 2 months and 2 weeks talking that crazy shit.
Bro, we just got.
Yeah, I got to do a 1-on-1 with Strat King. I gotta get my boy right.
Yeah, we just come down to especially you've been trading, like for example, like I've been trading just maybe like a year later than today, but once you already have your style and then you add this to it, like they said, you just become unstoppable.
Yeah, bro.
You still take
like
L's.
You going? Yeah,
Yes, you're gonna lose.
I gotta put down there. People be like, you still take L's.
Yeah,
Like,
you gonna take some losses, but for the most part,
the discipline stay. The discipline stay. Yeah.
I don't be too worried about the L's because now I know when to stop.
Right.
So,
right. Exactly.
2 trades don't work for me. I'm done.
Yep.
Come on, man.
You like it's not my day.
No, you know what else? Hey, Dre, you know what else we battling that I could notice on the ES? We also trying to get below this the Asia range, which is like right here.
Yeah.
So once we get through, it should be on and popping, and we should definitely be taking out this low.
Yeah, this 915 candle about to me. They want. Yeah. Come on.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this first 15 looking good.
Good, Les. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. I might extend my TP.
Boy, talking that talk.
We gotta see. I'm look. If I go to the higher time frame, bro, this
right.
Yeah. We get because shit. We slipped through the bottom of this box, boy. Woo. Oh.
Game time.
Yeah, because all this is overnight. Now, here's something that's pretty dope, though. So shout out to Austin for that question. We are getting to that time where I need to be careful about a reversal.
Yeah, false.
So just because I'll just want to break even. I'll just put a stop there. Because if it get back above my fib, I know it's going to fucking play around and be some bullshit. So I'll get stopped out at break even.
Yeah, like after 10 o'clock, you'll know. 9:45. Yeah. So
yeah, that's what time the move can go false. So
after that time, statistics drop off.
Yeah. So long as So as long as we don't right now it look good. It don't look like it want to turn around, so I should be all right. But
Yeah, you good.
yeah. But just telling the people that's watching, that's like
Mhm.
the beauty of this information we have is like now that I remember, like, oh shit, we coming into that time where I better be mindful of, let me make
Mhm.
sure I either lock in break even or whatever the case may be. Maybe some people might even be like, you know what, I'm gonna just take my profit because I don't like how it's playing around. If
Mhm.
you still believe in the trade, just go to break even or whatever. That way, if it do reverse on you, you be all right. Um, but it's pretty dope, man. It's pretty dope. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Shrek King say, yeah, that 4 hour candle close going into 10 p.m. That's what I'm saying. That's why I hope they don't come get me. I hope they just keep flushing this shit because for real, this 4 hour candle going, boy. Yeah, boy.
It's
Look at no, we could get it. This see, we're looking at it from a 4 hour. I think we could get down into like this little gap area here.
Mm.
Like if I take off, let me just remove this. Let me remove that for now. Right? Like this whole little area, I think we can get all of that.
28.
But like you said though, Dre, we just need to get through this.
Mhm. Yeah. Come on
We
now.
got 4 minutes till 9:15. Come on now. There we go. Come on.
Woo! Come on.
Come on. We getting close.
Another thing is, so we talked about earlier about the bits, right?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So when you see your distros, right,
Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go.
getting extend, getting extended, that means volatilities. That means we suppose like your session ranges can get extended. They can get bigger. So we go from average to medium. What? We drop it. Yeah. So
Yeah, we did that. I'm just saying, bro. I can't listen. I cannot wait.
that's
I ain't gonna.
another thing.
But
Yeah.
see,
So
Quadree, this is what I'm talking about right here, bro. Like at this 212, I'm finna to take this and just call it a night. It may go ahead and get down to my target, but bro, this joint just went like up 250. And how long I've been in this trade?
This shit.
Not
30,
even 30 minutes, bro.
30 minutes.
yeah.
That's
Yeah, man.
bro.
That's key. Cash flow, baby. That's
Yeah, that's
where
what
you
I'm
see
saying.
that.
Like, bro, you can't tell me what job gonna pay you $250 an hour, or not even an hour, $250 for 30 minutes.
Right.
I'm about to go take that, go to sleep, call that shit a day.
Come back tomorrow, fresh out the gate. Yeah.
Yeah, like what? See, that's why I said that's why I would have took that because look, now it's starting to bounce up. It's starting to play games.
Cash flow. Only talking
I'm
bang.
willing to. I just want to let this trade play out since I'm
Yeah.
just testing some shit.
You tested. That's okay. You
Yeah.
know?
Well, let's see what happens. They pushing it up. We about to go into 9:15.
9:15.
I need 9:15 to go ahead and do his job. Finisher.
Mm-hmm.
He said you drawing fair value gaps. I ain't dog that to me. That ain't even a fair value gap. I'm just looking at. I mean, it may be a fair value gap. Don't get me wrong. But what I'm just saying, what all I'm saying is, I'm looking at it as again, for me, I used to look at candles like playing Tetris.
Mm.
I'm trying to fit the blocks, and there's gaps. So that means I could put a block in this area.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's a new one. Playing Tetris. Okay. I like that
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Was you a fan of Tetris?
Hell yeah.
That's what I said.
The-
That's how I look at candles. When you got,
yeah, what's that?
especially when you got gaps, bro. I need to go find me a piece to go fit back in that gap, bro. It's like playing
Yeah.
Tetris.
You
And this is,
remember?
and then on top of that, this is a lot easier because there's only two type of blocks: green ones
Yeah.
and red ones.
I know you can't relate, but Quadree, he young bull.
He probably
You
played.
remember? You remember the big ass Game Boy, like this huge,
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
and
gray
that's like
ones.
the
the
color one.
gray.
You
Nah,
talking
yeah,
about the gray ones?
yeah, the big one, yeah, the
Yeah,
gray one with yeah. Quadree,
yeah.
you didn't get that. You didn't get that, bro. Nah,
Yeah, I did. I had the clear one. I had the purple one.
See,
nah,
but
you
those
had
were
it.
smaller. That's you know
No,
Nah,
that's
no,
we
what.
had
the,
it.
the joints they as big as the iPhone. They was heavier than this though, but
But
Yeah, it
bro,
was fat.
that's
Yeah,
but that's the small one. We talking about the them joints was about this goddamn thick.
the 1990
He's talking
joints.
about like the first. He talking about the very first Game Boy, bro.
Yeah, I don't think you saw that one.
no, bro, I bet you. Let me see.
Yeah, look it up.
Yeah, man.
Cause I know which one you had. I had that one too. You had the color joints. That's back when Pokemon was the shit.
Are you talking
And you
about?
had to have.
You talking about the ones
Yeah,
that?
he's talking about that one. He's talking about
Yeah,
that. Hold on, I'll
Yeah,
pull it up. Give me a
yeah, I
second.
seen those ones. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the one he talking about.
yeah,
This came out before I was
come
born.
on, man. This is my era, bro. That's what I'm coming
That's
from.
that's the one we
Yeah,
had.
I had
That's
the
the
green
real
one.
throw.
Yeah.
That's the real yo,
I
man.
had
Listen,
this one, and then I had
Yeah. Now those though, I had
uh,
those though, because
I had
that's
the
when
advanced.
Pokemon was the joint, and I used to have you either had to have the blue one or the red one, and you you could you used to
No,
have to
Mike,
connect the
Mike
Game
trying to
Boys
play
that you
me,
could
bro.
trade.
Mike, I had these. I had this one, the other one. I had this one here, bro. Don't try to play me, bro. You trying to talk like that? I had a Dreamcast. Like, don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh yeah, Dreamcast.
Yes, I did.
I had one
yeah.
too. I had one
The
too.
Nintendo
So
64.
you know when
You had to blow the.
I
You
ain't
had
gonna
to blow
front.
the card.
Do you y'all remember? Did y'all remember the Sega Saturn?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's when CDs first was like the games and shit.
Yeah, play Killer
I think I'm
Instinct.
But
about
you know
they about
what's
to stop me out.
crazy? What crazy is I'm still long too. But what's crazy is
Yep, they stopped me out. I broke even.
like we used to play that and the graphics is really trash.
You said, yeah, the graphics was terrible.
But we didn't
Right.
care. Like you
We
wouldn't
didn't
care.
care.
Like
But it was in different level. That at that time, that shit was
yeah,
fire,
that
bro.
was fine.
Oh yeah, we lived for that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, they stopped me out, bro. They got back to this film. I ain't about to play with them.
Yeah.
I just still think it's gonna push down though. It's just gonna happen like Strat King said around 9:45.
Car-
Mike said PlayStation 1 Crash Bandicoot. Boy, that joint had people in the headlock.
What? Nigga. People died for that shit. Shit.
Facts. Carl said the original Game Boy was a brick with a screen, a D-pad, and AB buttons. You are serious. That is facts, bruh.
Yeah.
That is facts. He said, "Fact, we had to Google the game. The fact that he had to Google the
Mike
game."
trying to play me, bro. That's all. Mike trying to play.
Oh, Mike, buddy, yo.
It's yo.
Strat King said, "I remember the original Sega and Hell yeah, Mortal Kombat 1. That's back when you had the finishing moves was like back, A, B, back, up, A, B, B. To do the fatality, you had to program the damn code.
Kitana win.
Oh man,
Yeah, listen, bro. That era never coming back, bro. That shit was 7,000 niggas in the room, no homo, playing that shit. That
Yeah,
shit was
man.
crazy.
That'd be
Yeah.
wild.
there was no online play. You had to go to people's crib. That was the
Yeah.
online play, and then
Bro,
you had to wait. Remember, you had to wait for the sticks.
facts. It was crazy, yo.
Oh man, we pushing up. I'm glad I'm glad I got stopped out. I probably would have. I would have took that profit. Strat King, I'm just telling you now. I let that trade play out the way it did, but I would have took that. I would have took that 225, my G.
Yeah, use it on my screen real quick. I'll
Yo,
say
man, that's a throwback code. I remember that code.
I can tell you
Up,
my
down, left, right, A, B, star. Oh yeah. Ooh, he throwing it. Yeah. Miller know what's up. I got you, Quadree. Give me 1 second. Let me pull my screen down. There you go.
only reason why I long this trade, and I'm on a 3 minute too. So
Oh, you still in that trade? So you about to come back? They done stopped
no,
me out.
it's only because I'm testing out something where even though there isn't a sweep or anything, this would be like a protected low because we closed here like a market structure break. I've been testing that recently.
Mm.
So
No,
like
Miller really he's a real gamer. I remember this one. You're right. ABACABB was the blood cheat code in Mortal Kombat 1. Yep.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeesh. They don't know about that, Mike. What Mike say?
And
Oh, Game Gear. Yo, what was that one? I don't remember that one. Game Gear.
I gotta see it. I don't remember that name. Let me see.
Yeah, I don't remember that one. Game Gear.
Let me
I
see.
feel like I do remember that one. It had a brief life cycle. Me too. That's my problem. Moving my stop and profit and not letting the trade go. Yeah, I would have took that, bro. But look, the trade is coming back though. Look, we went up and went a little bit higher. Honestly, what I should have done though is I really should have put the stop above the Q1 high and let it ride. So
yeah, so like you could put the
that's
stop
what I probably should have done.
here.
Yeah, I probably should have put it at that Q1 high because if it don't get above that Q1 high, I basically got stopped out for no reason. But
Yeah,
it is. It is.
and then like if we break above it, that's when it's invalidated.
Yeah, exactly. But also, I ain't like how it was interacting with this fib. Like I knew it was gonna come back to that 1350. Like it's just that shit is like glue. So
Mm.
It's still there.
it's still sitting there.
Yeah.
Game Gear was Sega's answer to Game Boy. I think it was the first color handheld. Oh wow, yeah, I don't remember that one.
Mm.
Damn, I
Yeah.
missed that.
I didn't play that Game Gear stuff.
Yeah, I didn't have. Now that you say it,
Right.
Joe, I do. Wait a minute, I think I do remember Game Gear. Let me see. Is that the one that it was a
It's a
long?
little.
It was a black joint, and it was like
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think I do. Actually, I think
You
I
might
do
think of
remember.
that.
Yeah, I do remember the Game Gear. Okay,
Yeah. And
Yeah, somebody
Game Gear.
selling they doing for 265 referred.
what a Game Gear?
Yeah, look.
Crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now that I see it, I'm like, oh yeah, actually, I had one. Now that I think about it, okay, I just forgot the name of it. Damn, I am
So
man.
I went for
The black
Nintendo,
joint.
Game
Okay.
Boy. I went Super Nintendo, and then I
Mm-hmm.
jumped. I jumped to PlayStation.
Jump to PlayStation.
I
Yeah.
I
You
didn't
ain't do
Sega.
you ain't do Nintendo 64?
Nah, that shit was corny.
You crazy, bruh.
Nah. The only
You
game that
crazy,
worked there was
bruh.
Mario Kart. Other than that,
Yes.
everything.
Yes,
That's it.
Mario Kart.
That
Then
was the only one.
when you had no, it used to be Mario
And
Kart.
Golden Knight. Golden
I
Knight.
was about to say
Yeah, that's
you
it.
had the James Bond game, especially when you could have 4 shooters, bro. We was tearing that joint up, dog.
Yeah. Tom
Or
Raider.
the wrestling joints.
Tom Raider. Tom Raider was popping and
Tomb Raider.
I played
Yep.
that.
Yep.
But
Yeah,
I just hope you know this conversation is showing y'all age.
yeah.
Now I was on the
Hey,
game,
listen, you hey,
GameCube,
it is what it
PSP.
is, bro. You know what's so funny though is I did see it
Oh
was on
yeah. I forgot
bro.
Golden Knight.
Yo, y'all want to know what's crazy? I was on Facebook, bro, and I was watching videos, and they were showing current college kids. Dre, I think Quadree, you had these too, but y'all remember that like in elementary school you had the projectors. They
Yeah,
teach you,
the plastic.
yeah, and they used to put the plastic and it would come on the screen.
Yeah,
Bro,
Right.
today's kids had no clue what that was.
Nah,
They
you
they
lying.
kept saying they thought it was like a weighing machine. Somebody said it was something else. I was like, bro, that's a projector. Like, what are y'all talking about?
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god, yo,
now you know.
these new age kids,
As I
yeah,
got in high school, we started getting smart boards.
smart boards, okay.
Yeah,
But
You
still,
see,
bro, I'm like, how y'all not know what a projector is, bro? Jesus Christ. Yo,
yeah,
you
man.
know, half today's kids don't even know what a fucking VCR is.
Nope.
Nah, man. What is that?
Bro, that's crazy, son.
Mhm.
I'm like, how y'all don't know what a VCR is, bro? That's dude. I ain't gonna front. That kind of stuff make me feel old. I'm like, God, dang.
Yeah.
But it's
Facts.
crazy though. We think about how fast like technology switched.
Yes.
Because I can remember, bro, like 10, 15 years ago, going to a Walmart and seeing a Netflix box with
Yep.
DVDs rented out of it.
Yep.
Like,
I
Remember that,
mean,
Jim?
you know, the funny thing is though, I remember when we first started going from VCR to CD or DVDs,
DVDs,
right?
yeah.
And then from DVDs, it was the Blu-rays. Y'all remember the Blu-rays?
That ain't last
Yep.
long at all.
That didn't last long, bro.
Now we just stream everything. You don't need none of that shit.
You're right.
They just hit you with the extra $15 for 4K.
15 is good.
Uh-oh. There
What's
we
that?
go. U.S. Transportation Department to start flight cuts at 4% Friday, raising to 10% next week because of the government shutdown.
Well,
Yo,
that's a
y'all seen that
drop.
Houston airport, bro?
Yeah.
That line
UPS.
was crazy.
Bro, I would have had this.
Bro, that line was crazy, son.
Yo, Mike, they pushed back GTA 6, bro. That joint ain't coming out, bro.
And we still don't have GTA 6. Yeah, they've
Fact.
been taking forever on that.
Yeah. I never was big on that.
Look at
That.
this drink.
You won't big on Grand Theft Auto?
Mm-mm.
Bro, Grand Theft Auto was the shit, boy.
You see this
That's
airport, bro?
Yeah, I'm looking. That's the airport?
Yeah, bro. It says that, like, I can't
Yeah,
play
that's
sports,
wild.
but yeah, but they wild, bro.
that's the line to go on a plane.
Bro,
That's just to get in the airport.
people was waiting for 5 hours. Like, at that point, bro, you might as well cancel your flight.
Man.
You missed that, bro. Strat King said,
You might as well just drive there.
Strat King said your kid's gonna be looking at you crazy when you tell them you had a car with a CD player.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro, I ain't
man.
gonna hold you, bro. When I was my first car was a Buick Century, and I had a bench seat, and I had a tape cassette with the
Yep.
forward.
To make to use the CD player.
To use while I was plugging it into my phone. That's when we started first getting like it could be the C. Yeah, you're right. It is a CD player or your MP3 player. That's what it was.
Oh, MP3.
Yeah, yeah. And the music played through that.
Yeah.
Sucks.
But no, like you said though, Quadree, man, it's crazy to see how fast technology has evolved, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because my freshman year in college, bro. Do y'all remember? I had the Trio. Y'all remember the Trio?
I don't
It
know.
was like a big block. It was a big block phone with a keyboard on it. That's when like the keyboard phones and all that shit. Just hold on, I'm gonna show y'all a picture.
Oh, with the pen?
Yes, with the pin.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. I
yes,
remember that one.
yes.
I was
Yes.
a psyche guy, but yeah.
You yeah. Or sidekicks was popping. Or remember
Yeah.
the brief time I had the Nextel chirp for a little while.
Where you at? Yo, niggas
Oh,
been
where you
trapping.
at,
Yo,
My
buddy?
drink in
nigga,
middle school was the
nigga was
AIM. It was your BBM number, and we had AIM.
Oh, Black. Oh yeah, AIM was popping. BlackBerry
Blackberry. Yeah,
Messenger. Facts.
yeah.
No, Miller said he had the Razor. Yeah, I remember the Razors was popping.
Mhm.
Shit, my very first phone was the Nokia. Shit.
Yeah, facts.
I used to
My
have.
Yeah,
my first phone was
the sidekick was the shit though. That
yeah,
big old phone,
Nike.
you flip the screen.
You cool. Hey,
Yo, you thought you was the man. Be out there
yeah.
with the pin pad.
Listen, no lie. If you didn't have a psyche, you ain't bagging no shorty, bro.
I was definitely thinking that too. The sidekicks, you was getting all the girls, bro.
You ain't bagging nothing.
That was the first. That was the first. If you got green bubbles, we ain't texting. Like, like, bro, literally, you had a. That's true, bro. You had. If I texted you and your joint was green, it was it was dub.
Everybody, did y'all go through the BlackBerry phase too? Y'all had a BlackBerry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Freshman year in college, I went through
Yeah,
that thing.
definitely had a BlackBerry. Look, Strat King just said it. You wasn't a nobody if you ain't have a BlackBerry email. You facts, bro. Everybody had the Blackberries, bro.
The shit changed quick, bro.
Man, what? Now
Yeah.
BlackBerry, Nokia, all them, they all dead.
Oh
Yo, you used
yeah.
to have to pay for minutes and everything. I remember
I don't
unlimited talk was
What
a
that call?
know.
Hey, no, Quadree, you had to call me after 9, bro.
oh
Facts.
dang.
That's when minutes was free.
See,
Just call me
this
after 9,
kid,
bro. I'll call you back.
this kid don't know that, man. Look, you see what Father of Legend posts? I don't think Quadri know what phone is that.
The
First,
StarTAC,
I
No,
don't think so.
I don't know what
first
that is.
phone. He really showing his age with that one.
I know what a beeper.
You,
I know what a beeper is. I
the
mean,
Star phone is cool. Look it up. That shit cool as hell. That
What
phone
the
was fire.
StarTAC?
Yeah, that shit was fire.
Yeah.
I
Kev
gotta be
said
good.
phones started mounting down in the car. You had peak and off peak minutes. Yeah. Facts. Yes. Peak minutes, off peak, all that.
Yeah, that phone, the gray one, the light gray one. That shit was lit. It had the little antenna. It had the little antenna.
Y'all crazy, bro.
Oh, okay. I do remember that one. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
it's Star Trek.
Man, that's crazy, bro.
With a C at the end, not a K.
See,
Yeah, that one.
Yep.
Damn,
That one.
that was that phone, bro. You
Mhm.
dropping.
that this big ass charger, bro.
The charger was bigger than the phone, bro.
Yeah.
That's why, yo,
Yeah.
it's crazy, bro.
Miller said, "No lie, I just use I'm burning minutes as an excuse to get off get off the phone with a broad." Oh man, Google the Zach Morris phone. We going up, Quadree. We going long.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got out of the trade. We keep battling, battling,
We had that.
battling.
We had the false move.
We went false.
No, I
No.
mean not yet, but we at that time 9:40.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're
The
right. You're
time
right.
to make that move is
Yeah,
Yeah.
if we don't make it by
Actually,
then.
yeah. So Jay, if you're trying to go long, this the time to do it right now, bro. Right
Right.
around this time. If we gonna go long, it's about to happen right around now. Jay said, "I still got my BlackBerry."
Mhm.
Oh, bro,
Okay.
I still got the first iPhone 3G.
Yeesh.
Then go push it now. Bro.
But yeah, man. But it's crazy. So you think about, because I'll be looking like, yo, like my nephew, he just turned 18. They got a whole different language.
Hmm.
They got a whole different language.
Yeah, like far as how they talk.
What's I guess what's cool
So
with that?
like, so it's after this football game. He said I'm about to link with the Huz, right?
About to
Huh?
meet with the who?
The Huz.
The
Who's
HUD.
that?
Yeah, I said, what the hell you mean? He
That
said,
his homies?
nah. He said the Huzzies. I said, you mean bitches?
Oh, the broads. Okay, okay, okay.
I said, you
Oh
mean bitches?
shit. The HUDs. I ain't heard of
I
that.
said, you mean? I said, what do you mean bitches? He said, yeah. I said, oh, why you ain't just say that?
Dang, Quadree, you going hard. Man, said the-
You playing me?
That's what we say where I'm from, bro.
That's a
Like,
dang.
cause that sounded crazy to me, bro.
It
'Cause
did
I
sound
like,
crazy.
I said, like,
I'm
what do you
like,
mean me
what?
drop you off and I'm about to go chill with the husband? What?
He
Like,
chilling with some broads.
yeah, bro. I said, I said, you
Yeah.
guys. They be yo. So the young kids, bro, they all use Snapchat. Like that's the
They
thing,
still use
still.
yeah, they
Bro.
love
That's why the
Snapchat.
count still be going up. I mean, it go
You
up and
said what?
down, but they still got users. They got
Yes, they
all the
do.
ads. They got a lot of ads on there. I said, yo, let me see your phone. They got mad ads on there. I'm like, yo, this is what y'all doing. But they do it because the parents can't see the messages because they only
Right, because they
double check.
disappear.
I'm
Yeah.
like, y'all smart.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all smart.
Mm-hmm. That's the reason why Snapchat has actually kind of stayed relevant is because
Yeah,
of that feature right there.
yeah.
right. I used to love that shit. Man, listen, I was a wild boy, bro.
Hmm.
Me and Snapchat went crazy.
We pushing. We put look right at that fall. Oh man, I'm about to send a message to Austin real quick.
But yeah, like yo,
He's
but
watching. He's back testing right now, but he's still watching.
I know that's why I'm about to just send him a quick message.
But so I'm like, damn. And now the music they listen to, bro, it's
Oh
like,
no, I can't do that.
yo,
No way.
no, you from this area, bro. It's that they got that sexy drill, and then they got that retarded drill.
No, I can't do that. I don't even.
Like, what the heck is y'all talking about, bro? I had to like, bro, what is this,
I
bro? What
can't
is
do
you doing?
it. I can't, bro.
Bro, it's really fast. It's like the music is on like 3 times speed.
Yeah, because when we were growing up, like the rap game died a little bit uh on the East Coast, like he up here. But then the ATL got popping. So we jump on that wagon. Like when Little John then came out, that shit was fire. But you understand what they're saying. This young kid now, man, listen. Nah, I can't do that, bro. I can't. I can't, bro. It's not right to me.
Bro. You just need a TikTok song, bro.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Oh, wait a minute. Is this
Eh,
all?
I heard in an interview some kid said that G Herbo, listen, G Herbo was better than Jadakiss. I was like, what?
Wait, what?
Yeah, he dead ass said that. I'm like, what are you talking about? Yeah, G Herbo, the best rapper alive. I'm like, he's better than Jadakiss. I was like,
Bro, you can't argue with nobody like that, bro.
Bro,
I'm like, you
Jadakiss
got
is
it.
top 5 dead or alive. What is they talking about?
I said, you got it, bro. I can't argue with
Listen, bro, they got
you.
they tell you Biggie was never top 5, bro. They
The
just
the young kids here.
bro.
Yo, Biggie can still rap on this beat from this era. The music you could play like he's crazy.
I think that's what's the worst thing that ever happened though is this type of you know microwave music to getting going viral because I feel like a lot of talent is missed out. Even if you look at it from an R&B perspective, there's any girl groups, boy groups. Um,
Miller funny as hell.
You said
Yeah.
what?
now, what were you saying, Dre?
Yo. He said Silk the Shocker will be top 5 in today's time. Bro. Miller said Biggie is 2 of the top 5. Listen, man. Here's my thing about Biggie,
And we
bro.
pushing. Oh shit.
I know we
Okay.
went look
I'm in,
that.
and I'm in same time, and I'm in the paper long. This time, I'm really in the paper long.
Yeah,
Nice.
but that's good. I'm glad we check. I'm glad again. Shout out to Austin for asking that question.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's definitely
King.
playing out. So that
Yep.
and Strat King, that's another reason I probably would have took profit when that drop happened, is knowing
Right.
that we had a chance to go falls around that time. So I would have just took that 225, call it a wrap, and be about my business.
Exactly. And also, you got the MAE, MFE telling you that this could be the wick
Yep.
of the 12-hour wick.
And we keep
Right?
fighting the Tuesday range. So Dre, I
Fact.
think I'm not sure if you can if you turn on, I think even for the ES, I think we're battling. We in the Tuesday range, and we have yet to break below.
We did suck back in on NQ.
Yeah,
ES
and
never got to that.
check this out. I think I'm on. Look, here go mine, and then here's this Tuesday for ES.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So
So this is what I was looking for tonight. Like if we hold this low, we come into tomorrow. New York come
we can go back
negative
up.
higher day. Party starts.
That's
We
gonna
we
be
lose these rings. Reverse a Thursday. As
reversal
simple as that.
Thursday. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Makes sense. Makes sense. Shit, we might just range in Tuesday in this box all night then
We probably do. Yeah, you're right.
until the morning.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Now And Q, what time is that that higher? The 1845?
No, this is yes.
No, that's a 1845 higher day so far.
So far, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we got
Let's
a
see.
20. We got a 2015
On
low.
the AQ is at
So
75.
And Q7 1900
Yeah.
on the dot.
hold on, I go to
Mm,
NQ. I got you. For NQ right now,
mm-hmm.
1900 in 2015.
Mm. Yeah. Let's see how they play it tonight when we wake up.
Yeah, gonna be a good one.
Yeah.
Gonna be a good one. Um, yeah. Matter of fact, while he talking about that, let me go see where we at. No, that's not the one I want to turn on.
So I ran the numbers the way we did this morning and in the Tuesday class. We go, man. Shit, man. Listen,
I think we about to pump, bro. But go ahead, my bad, Dre.
go like we
Yeah, we
never
about to.
like this year alone. We haven't got below 2% of the fight
Mhm.
of the 5 weekly EMA
Mm.
on goal out of the last 47 weeks. Because we are below the 5 day EMA right now, 5 weekly EMA, and we do not stand 2% below that. Like we have, I think 4 times only out of the last 47 weeks. So that makes me bullish go into tomorrow, and we are pushing tonight. I
Gold is
just
pushing
missed,
right now.
yeah, goal is pushing, bro. So I missed
Mm.
that long. It's something I'm tracking and putting my mind into.
My thing is the
Yeah,
gold. That joint, when it just
and
hot.
you
That,
got that's yeah.
Yeah, we pushing.
Jay, that swing hell,
It did.
that swing, yeah, they
Mhm.
hell. So that's why I like those wicks.
Yeah, they did a nice little move down, and then whoop.
Yeah, PP, yo, PP, we gotta do a 1-on-1. We gotta go through some shit.
Yee. Yeah, look at gold. Yee.
Yeah, PP. I found some shit on gold today that I'm very surprised. So PP Bank, he's a gold trader.
Oh, where?
He got a big community on Twitter. Like he he's a really known guy out there in the trading world. So shout out to him for coming through, bro. I appreciate you, brother.
Yeah, send me his Twitter. I'll be sure to give him a follow.
PP Banks. That's
Oh,
his
that's what
Twitter
it
name.
is on Twitter.
I think so. Yeah, yeah, man. He be doing spaces and stuff. So he be talking that
Ah,
talk.
okay, okay.
He be checking people's psychology, how you feel about how you doing, everybody. Yeah, he's a good one, bro.
I might be
Look,
mad
let
as
me
hell
get
right now, bro. This shit really about to hit $1,000, bro.
Yeah, man.
I found it.
That's my guy right there.
Yeah, I see you follow him. So yeah, this is the right
Oh
one.
yeah, hell yeah. I've been following before the boot camp actually. So
Queens, New York.
yeah, he from New York.
Okay, yeah, that's him. I got him.
Hey, I like to play gold. I've been back testing gold too, bro. I
Hmm.
like it. I like gold on the 15 minute. I can't trade it no the lower time frame, bro, to avoid them nasty wicks.
Yep, there go your push, Jay. I hope you got in. You probably was already. You probably stayed in, but that little that
Oh,
little
that's
drawdown,
crazy. It protected the hold it up.
huh?
Hmm.
That particular low. I've been in this trade for over an hour.
Yeah, I would have took that Jane and blue. But see, this the part that I be liking, like, bro. I knew I said once we get through this fib again, they about to send that shit. They
What's the
gonna send
Twitter? Is saying that PP Banks PP.
Banks Pippy is
Yeah,
the other way around. Banks Pippy.
yeah.
Yeah. And I think we ran up to that 1 hour that I think we ran up to that gap that I mentioned too.
Oh, car making money. Let's go, car. Let's go, baby.
Oh, yep, we
You,
hit look, Dre, we hit that gap. We went right up
we
to it. Whoop,
nice, good job. Yeah,
that joint
perfect.
right there. So came down, wick, and pushed up. I knew that's where we were gonna go.
He hold that
Jay said
fit.
he stayed there. Good stuff, boy. Good stuff. See, Jay, we both would have made money because my short made money and then turned right around and went to your long, bro.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we had a good day today.
Definitely. So yeah, man, let's wrap this up, bro. It's 9:45. We're coming to an end. Um, that being said, y'all got anything before we wrap it up?
Man, I always preach patience. I always, follow the price action and follow the media. They late.
That's
You
hell.
they always late. Don't let them trick you. They sound
Mhm.
doom and gloom until we get below that 50 per monthly the previous monthly 50. It's bull time, man. So don't get caught in no bullshit. All right.
Right.
Yes, sir. Same message, man. We most everybody that watches, y'all got the tools. Just utilize them correctly.
Facts. Um, yeah,
Who's
man.
Pat Trader? I don't know, Strike. Who's that?
No, he said he follows Pax Trader.
I don't know who's that.
He found who he was looking for. That's all it is.
Oh, okay, I got
And yeah, man. Listen, I think, like I said, for me, I am the only. Let me put it this way: the only reason I'm cautious is because the VIX. I just want to see the VIX, get smacked down back to 16. If it does that, I think all is well. Outside, other than that, everything still looks supportive, right? We got a supportive Fed. Granted, he threw a little bit of sourness on the December rate cut. I still think they'll do it, especially the fact that these job numbers probably going to be looking iffy. Fundamentals look great. I don't care what nobody tell you. This earnings season has been incredible. Like the beat rate, top and bottom line has been it's been cooking.
you.
Anybody that tells you that AI is a bubble,
Mm-mm.
I would say dig deeper because we're it may be a bubble, but this bubble far from popping now. Let's put it that way. This is still pretty early. Um, and so yeah, accommodative Fed. So macro looks good, fundamentals is good, and again, technicals are still supportive, right? Like Dre said, until we actually get below a monthly 50, um, until we can get below a monthly 50 and have at least consecutive back-to-back losing weeks. Like I don't want to let we haven't had two back-to-back losing weeks in who knows how long. Um, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just
Facts.
think there has a lot of evidence that goes contrary to people that keep saying, oh, a top is in or this and that. Like Mike just said in the comments, bruh. Anybody that say AI is a bubble, they don't know or work in tech. Because if I talk to anybody that I know who seriously works in technology or works it with AI, they like, bro, this thing just getting started. Like one of my
Mm,
good friends told me, we have now hit the phase of technology where it's like a hockey stick, and
mm,
technology is about to get so much better and do so much more that the growth could actually be exponential. Like how we was like we just gave y'all a dive into the history of how technology has evolved. When we talking about them video games and cell phones and all of that,
mm.
that was a good history lesson on how fast technology evolves, bro. You know what I'm
Facts.
saying? Look where we've come from to where we are now.
Right.
So, and you think it's gonna slow down?
No.
Bro, I mean, we ain't talking about what's good with Michael Berry in this short though. He tweaking.
He
Bro,
always late.
he got famous over
I
going
know
on.
he,
Like, look, hey, Quadree,
I
let's be
know he's
real.
famous for it, but
I know, but my thing is this: that shit happened almost we approached almost 20 years ago. He's not relevant.
Right.
Like literally, the '08 crashes. We hit 2026 next year. In 2028, that shit is 20 years old, bro. What
Mhm.
has he done since then?
that's what I'm saying, bro. He must be stupid. You
Mm.
gonna
That's what I'm
shorten
saying. And
video?
again, but that's the type of stuff that the financial media and that's the stuff that get people worked up. Be like, oh, Michael Berry short the market, the top is coming, bro. You realize he was right one time, and that shit was over 20 years ago. What has he done since then?
Mm.
You're right.
I don't know. Nothing.
Mind you, he might be short, and he probably got like 20, 30, whatever on the other side of the trade.
Right.
Yeah. But point being, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed
Yep.
tonight's show. Y'all learned some things. As we said, for anybody that's interested in the boot camp, the next one will be in January. We'll give you guys more information. If not us, like I said, go follow his YouTube username is AC Trades. That's Austin. If you go to his page, they do lives on Monday and Wednesday, but you could get information from there about the boot camp and when that starts next. Shout out to my community, the runners. We still here, we still rocking, going on. Next year we'll make it year 6. We've been
Oof.
strong in the
Wow.
game. Yeah, man, been strong in the game. I done seen a lot of people come and go over this time. But
Hmm.
we still here, still standing, still teaching, still helping people. So yeah, man. Look, we got 2 trading days left in the week. We won't
Hmm.
have NFP Friday. So let's see how that goes. We'll be back on Tuesday, 7:15. Talk about how this week ends and shit. I don't even really think we got anything big over next week, do we?
You know.
I don't
Maybe,
think
maybe
Nvidia's
we get,
earnings until what, like the end of the month.
yeah, maybe we
Think
get a
so.
deal done. Maybe that's the news. Who knows?
I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure something will come up. Well, matter of fact, we'll talk about Trump's 11 o'clock announcement tomorrow. We'll see what that is.
Yeah, we got to.
Shit,
Well,
facts.
man, look, until next week, y'all trade safe. Enjoy your weekend. We'll catch y'all next Tuesday, 7:15. Till then, man, y'all
We
stay
out.
blessed. We out.
Peace.
Let's go, baby.